All right, all right, all right. Can everyone hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? Drop some 111 in the chat box. Can you hear me clearly? Drop some 111 in the chat box. Drop some ones in the chat box if you can hear me clearly. If I'm loud and audible enough, drop some ones in the chat box. All right, if you can hear me clearly, drop some 111 in the chat box. Let's go. We are about to get started. We'll be starting in just 4 minutes. We're going to be starting in just 4 minutes. All right, so what I want us to do now is I'm actually going to open the group chat. I'm going to open the group chat right now so everybody can actually send messages on the group chat. So when I actually open the group chat, now what you're going to do is that you're actually going to head over to the group chat and you're going to drop "We are live." All right, you're going to drop "We are live." So I'm actually going to open the group chat right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to the group chat and you go and drop "We are live" on the group chat. Okay, you go and bombard the group chat and drop "We are live." Some persons don't know we have actually got started already. Some persons don't know that we are already live. So you just have to just drop it. For them, this is actually a very, very powerful session. You're about to make some money. So you can just help people also, make money too by actually reminding them that this thing is already starting now. Join now. All right. So just help me head over to the group chat and drop "We are live." Drop some fire emojis, drop some ginger, drop some dancing emoji, drop some smiling emojis. Yeah, just drop it, bombard the group chat. Okay, everybody actually on different group chats. Just head over to your group chat and drop "We are live," drop some fire emojis. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, let's go. Sheesh. Let's go. Sheesh. Let's go. Let's go. Sheesh. We're going to be starting in just 3 minutes. Help me drop "We are live" on the group chat. In 3 minutes, we're going to be starting. So let me drop "We are live" on the group chat, all right? Let's go, let's go. Sheesh. Drop some fire emojis on the group chat. Just drop some emojis. You guys are actually dropping emojis on the group chat. No, not here, not here. Go head over to WhatsApp. Head over to WhatsApp, actually. Head over to WhatsApp. Head over to WhatsApp and drop some fire emojis on WhatsApp, okay? Head over to WhatsApp and drop some fire emojis. Drop some dancing emojis, drop some happy emojis, drop some Christmas emojis on the group chat, on the WhatsApp group chat. I mean, not here on WhatsApp, on WhatsApp actually. We'll be starting in just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I have not dropped your. If everybody actually on this call should head over to the group chat and drop two emojis. Two emojis, two stickers, at least stickers. Everybody, we're like 40 already. So if everybody drops two, they're gonna have 80 emojis on the group chat. So let's go and actually drop it. Let's go. Sheesh. Let's go. 45 seconds more. I'll bring it up.
About to cool down.
You not drop your own. You not drop your own emoji. You can't drop your own. Drop your own. No. If you don't drop your own, you not make money today. Oh. If you don't drop your own, you not hear the trace I call out. Oh. You not drop your own. Let's go. I'll bring in our host in 20 seconds. If you have not dropped your own emoji, go and drop it. You not see it. No, voila. Now my mouth is smelling at you. No problem. But let me start calling names. Ahmed Ebandi, go and drop your own emoji. JPC, Ayahu Alexander, Arnold, Bello, Cam9, Chisom Rita, Christabel, Ikuga, Jessica, Ekele, so Eniola, FX, Godfrey, Ekumba, Ibrahim Mohammed, Tom, iPhone, Linkuki, Lorenzo Walter, Manuel, Van Abe. If I've called your name, go and drop your green bubble. If I've called your name, go and drop your own emoji. All right? If I've called your name, go and drop your emoji. Over the world, Oha iPhone, Obina Okoye, Precious. Who have I not called yet? Belema, Savior Andrew, Tomto Victor, Stefan Barida, Uchena Emmanuel, Vincent, Sowa Kemi, Sumuza, Angela, Bright Samuel, and Sophia. Let's go and drop our green bubbles, okay? I'm bringing our host in 2 seconds. I'll bring our host up in 2 seconds. So let's just drop. All right. We are officially live, okay? So I'm going to bring up our host right now. Our host is a very, very fantastic person. He has been training for a very, very long time. He's a very, very successful trader, okay? And he's going to be the host of this call. He's going to be the host of this call. He's actually going to talk about some things. He's going to give a brief testimony of himself, of what he has actually achieved so far in trading. You know, he's going to actually talk about it briefly. Then he's actually going to bring up the person who is actually going to start the presentation, and the person is actually going to call him out the session. Coach Vicky, if you're actually here, take it away. Let's go.
Let's go. If you can hear me, drop a fire emoji in the chat box. I'm super pumped. I don't know if you're feeling me, but I'm super pumped tonight. I'm super pumped tonight. So if you can hear me, drop a freaking fire emoji in the chat box. I'm not seeing anything. Keep it coming. We have like 46 persons on this call. We need to get it to. Let's get to 50. Let's get to 50. Amazing. I love what I'm seeing. You know, stuff like this, yeah, they don't come often. And once they do, right, the lucky ones are those that take advantage of it. It's something else. So count yourself very, very lucky to be here tonight. Count yourself very lucky to be part of this Trade-A-Thon that's going to take place today and tomorrow. All right. So this is a brief thing about me, yeah? Okay, I am Victory by name, Victory Endikachi. I be Igbo guy, understand? So way back sometime last year, yeah, I had a thought of getting into trading, No, it wasn't my thing, right? A friend of mine was like, I should give it a shot. I'm like, this kind of stuff that I've not, it's just like learning a new language. You don't know, it's crazy. Okay. I gave it a shot, a leap of faith, my guys. In the space of a year and a few months, let me not even talk much. Of course, at first the journey wasn't as I thought, right? As I thought. But the main thing was that over the time, like they always say, when I tell you, just give it time, before you know it, you'll be so amazed. Write down your goals, write down your dreams. I tell you, young man, then my target was if I can just make $100 a month, or what I say, not even a month, within 6 months, if I can just grow my account to like $100 profits, I'll be so amazed. Okay, right now I'm using an iPhone 12 Pro, right? I was able to get this phone. Of course, me, I don't like UK. Okay. I was able to get this new phone with just part of my weekly profits. Just learning in a year and a few months. Okay. So what you're about to get here today is to leverage on what we've been building over time, right? You don't need to learn anything. Just to take advantage of the trades being called out today. And before we even start, if you've not set up your account, right, for the Forex, a link will be sent to the groups, right, to set up your OctaFX account. Set it right away. For the options, a link will be set as well to the group to set up your pocket option account. So get your accounts ready. By now, you must have funded your account. If you've not funded your account, like I said, right, this is like when you come to the ocean, whatever you have will be filled. If you come with a teaspoon, it will be filled. If you come with a cup, it will be filled. If you come with a tank, it will be filled. Whatever you come to this call with, it will be filled. Whatever account size you have, it will be filled. So if you're ready, let me see another fire emoji in the chat box, family. Let me see another fire emoji in the chat box. So whatever, see, I wish I had this opportunity when I was starting to learn how to trade. I wish I had this opportunity. So over time, this is a little thing, yeah. Over time, I've been able to learn the trade, okay, been able to help a few other persons as well. Okay, now talking about profits of, at the time, someone was telling me, how can I raise ₦1 million? I'm like, just meet a good trader that knows what he's doing. Okay, just meet a good trader that knows what he's doing. All right, give me a few time, right? He's gonna make that profit. So before we without wasting much of your time, right? Before we kick in, I'm about to invite the reason why we're all here today. Okay, for you to take advantage of whatever we have today, a significant figure, someone I respect so much. This is a 6-figure trader, multi-millionaire. I mean, he's young. Hey, God, I beg. All of all know young, we no get money. God, I beg. So this guy is amazing. So whatever is going to share with us today, have your pens down to jot down, have your brokers down to take the trades, write down every single thing you're learning today. So before you have it, put your hands together as we welcome Coach Joel, Coach Michael. This man is the best of his kind. If you're ever close to him, forget it. You can never, ever lack money because he's a tomb of wisdom. So it's about to dispense the wisdom he has about the forex market to you right away. So Coach Michael, if you're close by, take up this call from me right now and dispense to these 52 amazing persons right now what we have for them. Let's go. If you're ready, drop fire emojis in the chat box to welcome him. Let's go. I'm not seeing this fire emoji. Wait. It seems you guys aren't ready for him tonight. Drop the fire emojis. Let's go. Amazing.
Oh, all right. Thank you very, very much, Coach Vicky, for that. Do you actually hear the testimony? He bought an iPhone 12 with just part of his salary from trading. I call it salary because when it's consistent, it's called salary. You understand? You know what they actually call salary? So salary is almost, some traders, they just make money once and then next 6 years, they are losing money. You understand? But once the profit is consistent, it's called salary. You understand? So he took out of his salary, out of his monthly salary from the forex market and bought an iPhone 12. And he withdraws massively on a daily basis. If you're actually in our group, you would have actually been seeing him drop his results and everything. Very, 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 very amazing trader. All right. So before we actually start, before I actually start, okay, So I would like us to do three things. All right. Number one is I want us to get a book. I want us to get a pen. All right. And I want us to stay to the end of this course. See, half information is dangerous. If I go now to learn how to drive now, and I go and learn how to drive, like just to start the car and then match the distance. And then I just go and I start driving. At some point, I'll need to actually slow down and stop the car. I didn't learn that part. How do I stop the car? If I go and learn how to fly a plane, I enter the plane, I start the plane, and I'm flying the plane. And all of a sudden, I remember, oh yeah, I'm to land this plane. But I never learned that because I only learned half of what I needed to know. I'll kill myself. So half information is deadly. So number one, get your book, get your pen. And number three, make sure you stay to the end of this call so you can get the entire information. So you can be making your emails yourself. So before I actually start, my name is Agbari Joe Michael. I'm a Forex and HFX trader. I trade for the challenges, I trade a lot of things. And my journey started 5 years ago. 5 years ago, when I was actually in school, I was a student, relying on my parents every single day for every single thing I needed, from my feeding to my accommodation to my drugs to every single, to the clothes I wear, down to my boxers or my parents sponsoring everything. As a man, first son, you understand? So 5 years ago, my star told me about an academy where I can join and learn how to trade and all of that. I got very excited because previously was something to be excited about. I joined, and that was the thing that actually changed my life. Everything you're actually seeing right now is actually testimony of that particular decision I made that day. So the reason why I'm actually here right now talking with you, looking all, glammed up and all, is because I said, if I was not training for it right now, I would have been calling my mom and telling her to send me Christmas money. But right now, I'm the person sending my mom Christmas money and my siblings. Do you understand? Okay, so that's going to be a testimony here. I do a lot of money. In fact, everybody step around withdraw lots of money from Forex, and you're actually going to withdraw lots of money from Forex before the end of this session. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to share my screen. I believe everybody have actually gotten their books and their pen to take down notes. I'm going to share my screen right now. I'm going to start with the cash flow quadrant. Okay, why I'm actually explaining the cash flow quadrants here is because when you actually want to do something, all right, you need to actually have a reason for doing that thing. That's something I really, really noticed in this slide. If you want to actually do something, you need to actually have a reason. If you don't actually have a strong reason for doing something, you will not actually be serious about doing that. A lot of traders actually started, they wanted to be good traders, but they stopped because they don't actually have a motive. They didn't actually have a drive. They didn't actually have a goal. Now, when I started trading, what was actually my motive? My motive was to move away from being poor and becoming wealthy. That was just my motive. And because of that, I achieved it. You understand? So what you're seeing here is the cash flow quadrant. It shows how money in this world is being distributed. From what you can see here, 95% of people, all right, share just 5% of the total money in this world, and 5% of people share 95% of the total of money in this world. So 95% of people are sharing just 5%. Imagine all of us actually here now, unless there's 10,000 naira to share. And after that 10,000, or let's say there's 1 million naira to share. And after that 1 million, and I carry 50,000 naira and I give it to 95% of us. That is about 45 persons. I give them 50,000 naira to share. And the remaining 950,000 naira, I just carry that remaining 5 persons and give them that 950,000 naira. If people sharing 50K, they will just collect 1,000 naira. But people sharing 950K, they will collect like 200,000 naira. 1,000 naira compared to 200,000, you see the difference. You understand? So that's why when you look at society, you see that the people that are wealthy are very small. And the financial disparity between those that are wealthy and those that are not actually wealthy is very, very big. You see people that actually, the minimum wage in Nigeria is how much? 60,000 naira. But you see people buying cars of 200 million naira. People giving their wives cars of 120 million naira. Why? Because the difference between those that are wealthy and those that are not actually wealthy is very, very big. All right. So let's go to the first quadrant. That 95% of people that are sharing just 5% of the wealth in this world, they consist of 60% employees and 35% self-employed. So out of these 95% of people that are sharing just only 5% of the money in this world, 60% of them are employees and 35% of them are self-employed. So either if you're working a 9 to 5 job, you're an employee. Obviously, the money they pay you is not enough. See, this country is very expensive. To fuel car alone in a month can actually take up to 80,000 if you're driving a V6 engine. But yet they are paying 100K as a bank worker. You understand? Then they are paying 200. What can 200K do? People spend 100K in just data. You understand? School fees is how much? You understand? So you see now employees are just slaves because they are working every single time just to earn chicken change that can barely get them by in a month. So they don't have time for themselves, they don't have time for their families, and they're working every single day just to earn how much. Then we have self-employed people. These are people that actually own their own businesses in a small scale. They are more like sole proprietors, petty traders, those actually selling in the markets, those that actually own barbing salons, those that actually, name it, cosmetic shops. These guys are actually self-employed people. They are sole proprietors. People are actually selling things online to sole proprietors. They run their business themselves and they get themselves paid. But the amount they're making is so much. And also, they can't actually afford to have time for themselves because every single time they are at the work shop, you see them stressed, they're looking black, they're looking very tired because they are stressed and tired. They can't even spend time with their family. They can't even see them stay more with their family because they have to shop and work every single day. And the amount they are earning is small. It cannot even do them anything. That's why you see them, they're not really looking good because they're not earning enough money and they're working so hard. Then let's leave that part of people and let's go to the wealthy people. That's that 5% of people that are wealthy. The 5% of people that will be sharing 950,000 naira. You understand? Let's go into them. Out of these 5%, 4% of them are entrepreneurs. Who is an entrepreneur? I'm going to get to it in a bit. 1% are investors. All right, so let's start with entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are people that actually have a system that generates them money. If you're actually working in a 9-to-5 job, the owner of that particular place is an entrepreneur. The owner of that real estate firm is an entrepreneur. The owner of that Airbnb is an entrepreneur. The owner of that hotel you're working in is an entrepreneur. That person, you don't see the person most times. Once you just see him, you see him, the way he's dressed, the way he's looking, he has time for anything he wants because he's not working. He has a system that generates him money. He has people actually working 9 to 5 to give him the money he needs. You understand? So he's wealthy because the amount of money he's making probably is paying 100K to his workers, but he's making 20 million in a month. 30 million in a month, and he has time to fly around the country. He doesn't need to be at his work himself. You understand? Because he has people working day and night to get him that money. So you see, he is very, very wealthy and is effortlessly wealthy. Then we have investors. Who are investors? Investors don't actually get people to work for them. Investors make their money work for them. All right, an example of an investor, we have Elon Musk. Elon Musk is actually an investor. Another example of an investor, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, name all of them, crypto investors, forex traders, all of them, they are all investors. Because as long as your money is working for you, you're an investor. Now, let me shock you now. 12 years ago, Elon Musk was actually part of the 100 richest men in the world. He had about $2 billion or so. He was not part of the 100 richest men in the world. But right now, he's actually the richest man. Do you know why? He didn't become the richest man in the world from entrepreneurship. He made a lot of money from entrepreneurship, his business and everything, he made a lot of money, but he became the wealthiest man in the world from investment. I'm going to explain now. All the money Elon Musk was actually making, right? He converted them to stocks and shares. Kept buying stocks and shares. If you make this money, share stocks. $1 million, share stock. $500 million, share stock. Right now, he doesn't want to buy Twitter. He didn't even have money to buy Twitter because all of them are actually in assets. So as the value of his company started rising, by 200%, 500%, 1,000%, his 2 billion turned to 200 billion, turned to 250 billion because the value of that is, you know what it is to buy? Stocks just like, it's similar to cryptos and all of that thing. As the value of the company is getting better, it's rising, just like how you have Bitcoin. You understand? Similar thing also with Bitcoin. A lot of persons actually invested $1K, 50,000 naira, 20,000 naira in some cryptos. As the value of the crypto started rising, they started becoming millionaires more. In fact, if we check the top 100 richest men in crypto, at the moment, the 100th person is a billionaire in dollars. Billionaire in dollars, how much they used to actually buy crypto alone? Because they're investors. So it's either you're an entrepreneur or an investor. If you're not an entrepreneur, you're an investor, you're not wealthy. If I'm an investor actually. I've been at home throughout today, doing what? Enjoying myself. After trading, I made my money from trading. I've been at home enjoying myself. If I want to watch Netflix, I will watch Netflix. If I want to play video games, in fact, I play video games every day. Because I have time. Nobody to boss me around. Nobody. And the money I make in a month, okay, I have a trade I took on Monday. I made $400 and something, which in Naira is about 650,000 naira. In just one day. That's what investors do. How did I get to this stage? Because I invested in knowledge. I invested in learning a skill set. So in this life now, you have to make a decision. You have to make a conscious decision. Which one do you want to be? Do you want to be part of the global population? People actually hustling, going to work. My job. Boss. Oga, okay, you don't want to annoy this one, you don't want to annoy that one. If you come late, they give you query. If you miss a day, they remove 5K out of your salary. Or do you want to be that person who cross leg like me and stay at home throughout and enjoy millions? You want to be that person who will actually travel out of the country. You want to be that person that will travel out of the country and actually still keep trading and making money. It all starts from you investing in learning a skill set. You understand? All right. So now there are different skill sets you can actually learn. There are so many skill sets you can actually learn. So many things you can actually learn. All right. So many things you can actually learn. But we're not going to go into entrepreneurship because it's involved a lot of money. We're going to talk about investors right now. You can invest in stocks. You can invest in government bonds. You can invest in shares. You can invest in digital assets, cryptos. You can invest in forex. You can invest in HFX. There are so many things you can invest in. All you just need to do is just to have the technical know-how of how to do this thing. If you know how to invest your money, when did I learn how to? I learned how to trade 5 years ago, guys. 5 years. I've been trading for about 4 years now, on my own. Why? Because I learned how to trade. It's going to be with me for life. Next year again, I'll still trade and make millions. Upper again. In fact, the money I'm making will keep increasing year after year because I learned the skill. You understand? So that is actually, and statistics shows that only 1% of people in the world participate in the financial market. Only 1%, and that is because they don't know how to trade. That is because they don't know how to do these things. You understand? So, there are lots of things to actually invest in, right? I'm not going to talk about lots of things. I'm only going to talk about Forex because that's actually what we came to do here. Forex. Now, what is Forex? Okay, what is Forex? Forex is an abbreviation for foreign exchange. All right, I'm going to briefly explain, which is basically just the exchange of currencies. It is basically just the exchange of currencies. So now let's say, for example, now I want to actually travel out of the country. Okay. And as I actually want to travel out of the country, I need $10,000. So I'll go to this Abuki guys and I say I want to buy $10K, right? And then they will tell me 1,200. Now I'll send them 11.2 million for that $10K. Now, those guys, they didn't buy that dollar for 120. Now, I'll send them 10.2 million. Those guys, they didn't buy that dollar for 120. Sorry, I'll send them 12 million rather. 1,200 times $10,000 is 12 million. So if I need $10,000 worth of coins, what of dollar? I'm going to send them 12 million. But those guys didn't buy that thing for 1,200. They probably bought it for 1,000 when dollar was low. So by them selling $10K to me, they have made $2 million profits. That's why these bulls change guys. Those guys are bastardly wealthy. If you don't know, they're making so much money from Forex. They buy dollar low and they sell it high. They take advantage of the rise and fall of this thing. I had this particular friend. He's a very elderly man. I like making friends with very elderly people that are business oriented because why not? You can always learn a lot of things from them. Now, what he does is that there is this time of the year when dollar used to drop, and there's this time of the year when dollar used to rise. So what he's going to do around that, I think around that March period or so, that's when dollar used to drop, around that April. So you go and buy dollars. You can buy like 20K, 30K worth of dollars. Just buy it and just keep. Then, when it starts coming towards December, dollar will start rising. Before you know it, that money he has bought, that 30K used to buy dollar, is going to increase. It's going to increase by over 30%. So he's going to make nothing less than $9K profit from just buying dollar when dollar was low and selling when it was still high. That's what they call seasonality tendencies. That's what they call seasonality tendencies. It capitalizes on the rise and fall of dollar, the fluctuation in the value of dollar. You can actually do that. All right. So Forex, you can either trade Forex on spot, which is like buying and selling physical dollars, or you can trade it digitally, which is with your phone, buying and selling physical dollars, buying and selling dollars. So capitalizing on the rise and fall of currency, you can actually make money. And that is what I learned. All right. That is what I learned. So if you look at this now, let me show you this. You can see my screen right now. This is actually what we call trading view. Okay, it's actually a trading platform. All right, the trading platform. I'm going to explain to you the difference between trading platform and trading broker very, very soon before we go into our live trading session. Okay, and I'm going to select a particular pair. The pair I'm going to select is going to be Euro USD. Okay, that is the Euro US dollar. I'm going to explain like this. This is not only live trading session, because I know a lot of persons here have not been trading forex before. They don't know what forex is. I will teach you. Don't worry. I say you should get your book and pen. You will learn. You all will learn. You understand? You will learn and you will earn. You will learn and you will earn. All right. So where is my Euro USD? That's running. Euro USD has run away from. Sorry, give me a second. All right, so you can see what we call this is actually Euro USD. I'm going to explain to you what Euro USD actually is and how the forex market actually works. It's very, very simple. I'm going to explain to it. I'm going to explain to you in just 2 minutes. That's why I say you should come with pen and paper so you can write down lots of things. You can bombard yourself with knowledge. You get. All right. So this is what we call trading view. Now, what you see now is Euro USD. What this basically means, because all currencies are actually in pairs, they are paired against each other. Right? All currencies are paired against each other. So when you actually have Euro USD, that basically means the value of euro to the value of US dollar. Okay? So now we have the ratio of the value. Okay, the ratio of the value of euro to the value of US dollar. Okay, the ratio of the value of euro to the value of US dollar. This is actually it. This is actually what this Euro USD actually means. This Euro USD, a lot of persons have been training for it, but they don't know what Euro USD means. They don't know how this is. Now, if you can't find it, let's do this now. What's the value of euro? Just something now. What is the value of euro to naira? Just something now. Let me show you something. 906.26. Just 906, right? 0.26 USD. 906.26 and 825. So let's come to calculator. Calculator. 906. What do we get there? 906, right? Divided by 825. Just see now. Let me show you. 906 divided by 825 is equal to 1.09818. Let's come here. What do you see? 1.09818. Look at this green thing here that is going up, and that's the current value of the pair. It's showing 1.09818. What do we get here? 1.09818. So what you're seeing here is the value of just euro divided by the value of dollar. So anything that makes the value of euro go up, that means this number you're seeing here is going to go up. And anything that makes the value of dollar go up, that means this value to come down. So what you're doing now in forex is that you're predicting either this thing will go up or it will come down. If you predict that this thing is going to go up here, that is called buying. If you're predicting that the value is going to go up, you are buying. You're going to buy. All right. Buying basically just means predicting that the value will go up. And if you're predicting that the value is going to come down, that is what we call selling. Okay. Let me do this like this. Let's see. Okay. So if you're predicting that the value will go up, you are buying. And if you're predicting that the value will come down, you are selling. So now, what does forex say? Forex say that if you buy and the value goes up, you make money. There are a lot of things to learn, a lot of things, a lot of persons, like a lot of things, a lot of. I wish you guys could just give us like 6 hours. I like teaching. That is something I love doing. Right from when I was very small, I love teaching. If you can just give me 8 hours, let me just stay and just teach you for 8 hours. Every single thing, teach you strategy itself of trading forex. Strategies, teach you. By the time I'm done like this, by that same day, if you go and trade, you make money on your own with your own analysis. Because I love, you know what you say, things you have passion for. One of the things I actually have passion for is teaching. I can still and teach for 7 hours, and I'll be enjoying it. Yes. So I'm trying to be very, very fast because of time, because this session is actually meant to be more than 1 hour 45 minutes. It's not meant to be more than 1 hour 45 minutes. So you can all get lots of values. Because if I don't actually explain this thing now, when it comes to live trading session, you guys will be confused. A lot of person, and I don't want to confuse. You understand? So if I'm predicting that the value of this pair will go up, I am buying. And if I'm predicting that the value of this pair will go down, I am selling. You understand? And that is just what forex actually is. Now, what can make the value of this thing go up? If euro rises. Remember your numerator and denominator from primary school. If euro rises, the value of this thing goes up. Also, if USD falls, the value of this thing goes up. Because when US is actually like lower, smaller in value, this value of this thing, the ratio, is the ratio you're actually looking at, is the ratio that's actually going up or going down. You understand? So look at it as a tug of war. All right. These two actually didn't tug of war, yeah? Okay. If euro is stronger, this is me and this is, let me pick someone from the chat box. Let's go. Don't worry. All right. So let's okay, let's see. All right. So let's see. This is me, and let me choose someone randomly from the chat box. Okay. Let me choose Bright. So this is Michael and this is Bright. So now we are both in tug of war. We need to tug of war actually is I'm dragging Bright to the upside. Bright is dragging to the downside. So if Bright is stronger, let's say I've actually eaten fufu. This is Bright. He has eaten fufu. He's very balanced and everything. Bright, the way Bright to take and drag me past this line, it's a shock me. So if Bright is stronger, Bright will drag me down. All right. But if anything actually happen now, let's say Bright not going to have sickness. Sorry, you know I need to force it. But let's say just gonna, let's say he's weak or he's tired, or let's say he doesn't have enough strength. But let's say something actually happen and then he's feeling weak. I will be stronger and I'll be able to drag this. That's why we actually see fundamental news. See fundamental news. Sometimes USD news going to come out. And once USD news comes out, the pair will fall down. Why is it falling down? It's falling down because USD gained lots of strength. USD ate Lolo and Aku. And then USD is energetic. It's dragging that pair down. You understand? And also, if Euro news comes out and then it goes up, it's because Euro gains strength. So forex, the market going up or going down, is just a ratio. And the value of this thing, by the value of this thing gives that ratio. And as the value of this thing goes higher, it goes up. As the value of this one goes higher, it goes down. That's just basically what forex actually is. Okay. So now, we all know in order to do something, you need a medium. Okay. You need a medium. All right. You need a medium to do it. And that's actually what we call brokers. Now, what is actually your broker? Your broker is just that middleman. Just like when you need dollar now, you go to Aboki. Aboki is actually the middleman, and Aboki is actually your broker because Aboki is actually going to give you the dollar you need because it's your middleman. You understand? That is actually your broker. So your broker can be anything. Your broker can be Octa FX, which is a very good broker. Octa. Your broker can be Hugo's Way. Your broker can be Xmas. Your broker can be anything. Anything that actually, any particular system, any particular company that actually allows you to have access to the forex market is your broker. Right? If you need dollar, if you go to Aboki, that Aboki is buy dollar. That's your broker. And you're buying dollar on the spot market. You understand? Yes. So now, that's actually your broker. Then we also have trading platform. Right? Trading platform is where you trade on. All right? Trading platform. That's where you trade from, where you do analysis. TradingView now, it's a trading platform. Example of trading platform, we have MT4, we have MT5, we have TradingView. Do you can take trades on TradingView? They have different brokers. You can connect one that's TradingView. You can connect FXCM to TradingView. You can connect different brokers to TradingView and take trades directly on TradingView. So you can analyze trades now and trade. So TradingView is actually a trading platform. Same with MT4 and with MT5. Just the way we actually analyze and trading is also the same way you can also analyze MT5. You understand? But people actually prefer using TradingView for analysis because TradingView is actually slicker and has lots of customizable features that alerts. It has links, it has links. You understand? That's a lot of messages. So if you have a broker, you have a trading platform, you can actually connect your broker to your trading platform and trade. You understand? We also have some brokers actually have their own trading platform. For example, now Okta has its own specialized trading platform. So Okta's trading platform is Okta's trading app. It's just like MT4. So you can download the app and register, and then it connects both the broker and the system. So you can just take your trade directly on the Okta trading app. You don't need to use MT4. So a person will try using MT4, some person will try using MT4, the person will try using TradingView, so a person will try using Okta's trading app. So that's actually what Okta. On this session, I'm going to show you particular broker against that open the live account with fund live account, and I'm going to show you how to use the live account. I'm going to call out signals for you. I'm going to take those signals together. I'm going to make them. All right, so let's go. All right, so before I get to the funding of account and all of that thing, let me actually expose the secret to Forex. Let me actually expose the secret of Forex to you. Okay, when I started trading Forex, where I learned from was I paid a huge amount of money. Right now, it's $325 to learn there, right? But you don't need to learn there. Actually, that's right there. I think 400K. You understand? It's about 400K. You understand? So, one thing that really caught my attention when I started trading, you know what it is? It is actually compounding plan. Right? It's a compounding plan. All right. Now, most persons don't really understand what compounding is. And that is why they actually struggle with trading. All right. A lot of persons actually struggle with trading because for two reasons. Number one, they don't actually understand what compounding is. They don't actually understand the goal of trading. They don't actually understand the goal of trading, number one. And number two, they also struggle with discipline. Then number three, they don't actually have a profitable strategy. Now, believe me, if you're trading for 5 years and strategy is not actually good, you're not profitable. You understand? It's more like you supporting a football club. Now, let me not call him before people actually attack me. Because if I call if I call one Premier League club now like this, now their fans will leave this call. I don't want people's I don't want you guys to leave the call, okay? So if you're supporting that club, you need to support the club there from now to the next 10 years, they will not still win Champions League. It's not in their blood to win Champions League. You understand? You understand? So that's it. Same thing too. If you're trading Forex with a strategy that doesn't actually work, you will not be profitable because your vessel is not good. Your vessel is not the club, it's not this thing. It's like it's not the players. Only they won't sign Messi and Ronaldo and pack all of them with Mbappe, put all of them there, put Neymar, they will not still win Champions League. It's just with the club. Champions League is not just in their blood. You understand? And that is actually so. When it comes to Forex, to be profitable, you need to understand one, compounding, pounding. You need to actually understand two, risk management. Manage, but I don't know spell management. If you let me spell management in the chat box, please, I beg, I'm old. Forex already occupy my brain right now. There's no space for anything. Let me spell management. It will be cool. I'm not calling any name. It's gonna be PSG I'm talking about now like this. So I'm not calling anybody. Club share is in Premier League share management. Their supporters always have heartbreaking. These always have heartbreak. Every Saturday like this, will just be crying. If they win one match like this, they'll start posting. The next week again, they are sad again. They are depressed. But don't worry. That's how it is in Forex. If you don't have a profitable strategy, today you're happy, tomorrow you're depressed. Because if the market gives you $10 today, tomorrow it's take $100 from you. You understand? So that is just actually how. So you have to actually understand compounding. You have to have a very good risk management. You need to actually have a trading journal. These are the 5 secrets to Forex: trading journal, then trading plan before trading journal, whichever one shall. For trading plan. Lots of things. I'm trying to be fast because of time. Trading plan, then profitable strategy. Very, very important. Trust me. A lot of persons have different things. They'll tell you with their style, they'll tell you doggy strategy. They'll tell you different strategies. You said you go tire for YouTube strategy. If you go to YouTube, you see lots of so-called forest gurus, strategy. Since I'm going to go back to school again, I don't understand what I'm spending like this. All right, so lots of things, all right. And when it comes to learning things, or you don't actually want to fill your mind with things that don't work, the best is actually learn how to say is just find someone that is good and then learn directly from the person. If you're going to go and get random courses online, you can actually enter the course that will just keep you there for years and then you'll not make any money yourself. You understand? So profitable strategy is very important. Okay. So I'm only going to talk about compounding right now because of time. All right, because of time, I don't really have time for all those to talk about everything. Right, so because I'm going to talk about just compounding, and that is what I'm going to talk about. But once I'm actually done talking about this compound, you're going to see why you should be trading forex. Nkechi, you will see why you should be trading forex. All right, you'll see why you should be trading forex. You'll see why you should be trading forex. Compounding plan, compounding. That's what I think now. All right. In less than 1 hour, we're done. Session is only for 2 hours. Okay. This thing is playing with me. All right. Okay. So I believe everybody can see my screen, right? I'm sorry. All right. So one more misconception when it comes to trading is I have people that when I tell them initially when I was learning, I started trading with just $100, right? And I made a lot of money from it. So when I tell people to come and learn how to trade, what they keep saying is like, oh, I don't have money. I just have 10,000 naira. I just have 5,000 naira. I just have this. I don't have enough money to trade. And the thing that they are right to an extent, because to make money trading is more like percentage something. So if you have $1 million and you make 40%, that is 400,000 naira. And then if you also have 10,000 naira and you make 40%, that's 4,000 naira. So when you have big money, you get to make more money. But then you don't have to actually have big money to trade. You can start with even 5,000 naira, and you can grow that 5,000 naira to 10 million naira, 20 million naira, 30 million naira, 40 million naira from trading. That is actually how, that's like to trade. That's what we call compounding. So Albert Einstein studied compounding and he called it the eighth wonder of the world. All right, the eighth wonder of the world. So this is actually what we're going to do now, right? So now this is actually how compounding actually works. I'm going to use 100% to calculate this thing. But when it comes to trading, you may not make 100%. You may make 50%, you may make 40%, you may make 60% a month. But I'm going to use 100% very fast. Now, let's say you start with 10,000 naira, all right? And then you're compounding for 1 year. All right, let's say you're starting January 2024 and you're compounding for 1 year. So you start with January, then we have February. So what we're going to do now is that we are going to we're actually going to assume that you make an average of 100% profit every single month. Okay, so you start with $10, all right, which is let me use 10,000 naira. So it can look big. If I say $10, most people don't know what $10 is. I use 10,000. It won't be too big, okay? It won't be too big. So it's 10,000 naira. All right, so the first month, remember I was doing 100% profit. So you just have to multiply times. So your first month, at the end of January, we made 100% So you making 100% profit. Basically, your account grew from 10,000 naira to 20,000 naira. So now you entered February, and then you're with how much? 20,000 naira. So you made same 100% again. February started with 20,000 naira. So you made same 100%, and your account grew from 20,000 naira to how much? 40,000 naira. Let's be doing the math for me in the chat box. I'll be looking at the chat box to see the answer. All right. So the third month, which is March, you had 40,000 naira. Please pay attention very well. This can actually be what motivates you to become a very successful trader in the future. Pay attention. This is very important. So the third month, you have 40,000 naira. You start with 40,000 naira, and then you made 100% profit. So the account grew to 80,000 naira. I see it. So now in 3 months, you've grown your account from 10,000 naira to 80,000 naira. But that is just the third month. So let's keep going. April. You're with 80,000 naira in April, and you make how much? 80,000 naira. And you make how much? You make 100% again. So 100% of 80,000 naira is how much? 160,000 naira. Thank you very much, Kenny. Very, very sharp. All right. Very, very, very sharp, Kenny. So let's go. May, let's go. May, you make 100% on 80,000 naira. It goes to how much? It goes to how much? 80,000 naira, 100% of it. 100% of 160,000 naira is how much? 320,000 naira. Wow. Wow, very, very sharp. You guys have the sharpness of forex traders. Now forex traders food this score like this. So this traders like this, 320,000 naira. So June, 640,000 naira. Ola mark for me now. Very, very fast. Very, very, very. I see a 7-figure trader in you, Ola. It is done. It is done. It is done. 320,000 naira. So I'm not very slow self typing safe. What's wrong with me? 1.28 million. They don't calculate that, bro. I never even type this one self finish. Sorry. So let's July. But hope you're actually understanding. Just 100% profit every month, bro. Let's stop at this one first. So we can actually. Okay. So you have 1,280. This is 1.2 million naira. So you grew from 10,000 naira in January to 1.28 million naira in July. Yeah, you seen that? So I don't get money. You get the paid. I mean, you get the money. Just come here and start compounding your account. Time is going. So let's do August. Let's do it for the entire year, right? So August, how much do I have? How much do I have? If I'm not calculating for me again, I put angry at me. So that's very, very fast. What have I done? Thank you very much, Ola. If I'm tired of calculating, what the hell? You never see anything. That's why when you see forex that they spend with money, this is what they do. This is why you don't have to just start somewhere. Start somewhere. Who would have ever thought that just 10,000 I can give you 2.5 million before the end of next year? 256. I'm here to open your mind. Open your mind. Someone is carrying us back with 500. Okay, no, you're not carrying us back, Jesus. We have already entered 5 million already. It's one too big step for me to continue. My hand is paining me. August, September. Imagine your money is actually this long. Imagine you follow all these things now, and by September next year, your money is this long. You have over 5 million there. If your mind is blown away, all right. If your mind is blown away, like let's calculate this minimum. Let's calculate this minimum. Let's finish what we started. Because here we finish whatever we started. Say 5 points. Are you seeing it? If I ask so many traders here now if they have made this, they will say yes, I've made 10%, now you've made 20%. Why you can make 100%? Even if you don't make 100, even if you make 50%, to the mass, you still get here. It's just I can take longer. September, October, 10 million. From 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira that's used to eat in 1 week. That money, just don't eat for 1 week and use that money to trade for 1 year and buy yourself financial freedom. That's why investors are very wealthy, because just learn this thing, learn it, and it is there for you already. Wealth, because once you learn it, you can keep doing this thing forever. You can just keep doing this thing forever. October, November, man, it's been, I've been typing big figures since. And you know the beautiful thing about this is that once you get to all this level, the money is your own money. You're not gonna say that this person told me about. You're not gonna say this coach showed me this thing. If we want to remember myself, especially Ola will not remember said that he joined the session. I was the person I told him about compounding. He was just gonna buy his Benz and go to Abuja immediately. I know him. Ola, am I lying? Ola, am I lying? Ola, I don't want to answer. Will you remember me when you make 20 million next year? Will you remember when you make 20 million next year? Will you give me 10 million out of it? December, we have 40 million naira. So we actually ended the year with 40 million naira with our calculation. 20,450. If you can make 5% profit in a day, then you can make 100% in a month. This is 40 million. See, we did the calculation. It's not like I get to start writing figures now. Now calculate them for me. Now calculate them for me. From 10,000 naira to 40 million naira in 1 year. Is that not money ritual? Is that not money ritual? And you know the beautiful is that once you get to this level, once you have 40 million, 10% will be 5 million. You just only make 10% in 1 year, make 5 million naira. Enter club and go and buy a zoo. This is the secret to trading that people don't know. Have a lot of presidential this guy don't need to your long. Don't put yourself under any pressure. You have to start and grow gradually. Grow gradually. Your money will still long. You understand? So you understand this secrets. If you can make 10% in a day, less than now, 100% in a month, that basically means let's divide 100 times 100%. If you make 100% in a month, divided by how many days you have in a month, 20 trading days, divided by 20. That is equal to 5%. So if you can make 5% profit every single day on an average, 5%, that means you can make 100% in a month. What's 5% that you cannot make? Just knock it, just take 2 trades. On your $100 account, 5% is just $5. Just $5. Have you not made $5 in 1 day before? But once you make that $5, what do you do? Timothy, you withdraw the money. You withdraw the money to go and buy the shy. Don't do it. That money is 40 million. If I kept trading 10K, imagine I paid 20K and then I would do 10K back. I'll start again February with 10K. I make it 20K, I would 10K. I would just, from beginning to end of the year, I would just be with 10K. And I would have withdrawn 10K times what they call it, 12, 120K. That's no money. That's no money. If you are blown away by what I just showed you now, head over to the chat and go back to the chat. If you are blown away by what I just showed you now, head over to the group chat and bombard the group chat. 2 odds. I don't see 2 odds. So no go knock your school fees 2 odds. 2 odds. So no go use your school fees go knock 2 odds. So this is trading. Something I really like about trading is that it's sweet, guy. You can risk only 1% per trade. In fact, when it comes to trading, I only risk 1% or 0.5% sell per trade. When it comes to risk to reward management or risk to reward ratio, if I start with risk to reward ratio like this, I say as you're blown away, like if I start explaining risk to reward ratio like this, you go and buy wine and come and give me. Let me show you this trade I took on. If you're actually excited with what I just showed you now, if you're actually excited, if you really like what I just go get back to the group chat and go and drop fire emojis in the chat box, in the group chat. Just go. People are not, they are asleep. We are over 200 and see how many people actually just here. Just help them. Just wait for them. It's not compulsory, but just visit them. You just visit them. If they don't know what they are doing, just visit them and drop fire emojis on the group chat because they can come. Visit them. Look at this trade I took on your expecting. Money that is in this trading. Money that is in this trading. It's crazy. Let me show you this trade I took on your expecting. My risk reward ratio on your expecting is 1:20. I'm not saying let it be sweet. It's 1:20. That's my risk. You know what it means to do 1:20? 1:20 risk reward ratio. I move my stop loss to break even when it gets a particular point. I move my stop loss up in profit, but the final profit I'm targeting is 2,000 pips. And my stop loss is just 100 pips. So if I risk 1% and I'm catching that whole run, it hits my take profit, I'm winning 20%. So even if I win the trade, I only lost 1%. So for me to blow my account, I need to lose 100 trades in a row. I need to blow my account because 1% times 100, that's 100%. It's not possible. So even if I lose 2 trades in a row or 3 trades in a row, I've only lost 3%. The moment I win 1 trade, I've won 20%. Let me show you the trade. Seeing is believing. Seeing is believing. Seeing is believing. This is that trade I took. This is the trade here. This is the trade. I took the trade here. This is my markup. I take profit of 2,000 pips. Imagine you actually have access to me like this now. As I want to take this trade, I told you, or more bros, go and take this trade. I tell you the parameters, entry parameters, stop loss parameters, and everything you should use on this part. You just can take it. Some persons have gone and market better look like this. I'm making $200. They will make like 305 because trade is, they are sure of it. See the stop loss. See how small it is. This will use less than 2 hours kind of people. No, so less than 4 hours rather. 2,000. Now after that particular trade, see what I did. I won 20% here. See what happened. I took another trade there. I lost this one, which is 1%. I'll not say it will be sweet. I lost 1%. And then I came here again. This other trade again I took. I lost this one. You can see it here. So I lost 1%, That's just 2%. But because I won 20% here, I'm still up by 18% profit this week. Imagine that for a funded challenge. Imagine you're trading a 100K funded challenge, you make 18%. Is that not $18,000? Money. Right, so let's go to the next phase of this thing. At the end of this call, we are going to do an airtime giveaway for the sharpest people on the call. Just 2 persons have to make something. At least let's you guys make something. I like your energy. I really love your energy. I love your energy. So let's go to the next part of this thing. Live and Denmark. Okay, okay. So live and Denmark. Before live and Denmark, let me introduce you to Okta rather. So Okta is actually a broker. It's a very, very reliable broker. If you're actually trading forex, you have actually heard of Okta. Okta is everywhere. Okta is everywhere. Okta is everywhere, right? They have a lot of persons actually like trading Okta. I trade the Okta. They are very fantastic people. They have very fast withdrawals. That's something I like about them. And their deposit process is very easy. Now, some brokers, they will tell you that for you to fund, you need to have them crypto. What if I don't want to use crypto? What if I want to use Naira? With Okta you can actually deposit with Naira. So let's say, for example, now I have 15K and I actually want to fund my account. I can use that 15K to go and fund my account immediately. And the moment I grow my account, probably I to 40K. If I want to withdraw 35K profit, I can easily withdraw that 35K to my bank account directly. And within less than 1 hour, I will get very fast deposit. You can use crypto, but if you want to use Naira, you can use it. So if I want to fund right now, I actually have to fund 50K now like this. If you go to account to 20K, 30K, 40K, if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw your 20K, 30K, 40K to your account directly. In no time, very, very fast, as quickly as you can. Let's say you fund the 10K and then you put your 10K account to 20 million for the end of next year. If you want to withdraw 5 million out of the money, you withdraw 5 million, you get to your account in less than 2 hours. directly cash to land back. When you land like this, your age before call you first. Your mom will feed you. You know, our mothers are actually connected with us, right? The moment you get big money, your mom will feel it in her soul, like, oh, it's my son. This Ola have already collected big money. Ola, she'll not consider greeting you. She'll not ask for money, she'll just greet you. I've been praying for you since. You know, I've been going to church, I've been praying for you, said you will know. You know, see, not saying that 1 million naira like that. She'll not be very happy. You'll be happy. So you need to trade, though, man. You need to trade. I mean, this Nigeria is too hard. Nigeria is too hard for everybody. Like, it's too hard. It's so hard for you not to be trading. Okay, so let's enter Okta, right? So Okta is a very reliable broker. One thing I like about them, apart from their very fast deposits and withdrawals, their Okta trading app is very, very sweet. Now, some persons actually like using MT4 because it looks ugly, to be very honest. MT4 is very ugly. But Okta's trading app is very, very beautiful. Their user interface is very, very good. We have a lot of things to do. In fact, when you want to enter the trade, you want to enter the stop loss. If you enter your stop loss, it will tell you how many pips already. They will show you there the pips. You understand? So if you don't know how to really calculate pips, the moment you put it, if you're making a mistake in your calculation, let's say instead of putting 10 pips, you're going to 100 pips, you'll see it there. It's showing you there that this is 100 pips you're putting. So you're like, how more? They make mistakes, you can't correct it. So that way now you can't go and start making mistakes to your stop loss or take. But once you're putting your stop loss, it's showing you how many pips you're using already. You understand? So they're very fantastic broker, very, very fantastic, very fast withdrawals and deposits, no spreads. And another thing I actually like about them is that they have lots of promo that they do. Okay, they have lots of promos. Like this particular promo they're actually doing is called their festive promo, their Christmas promo, right? So what they're actually doing on this promo, Okta's Christmas promo is Christmas promo is that they are offering you reduction in spread, like 15 to 30% reduction in spread. So spread is actually the charge that the broker actually collects when you're actually taking trades with their own commission, right? So they are offering you 15 to 30% reduction in their low spreads already. And apart from that, for every two traded lots, right? For every two traded lots, you earn a ticket. Into the raffle draw. All right. So at the end of the raffle draw, they're going to pick different winners, right? One lucky person is going to win a Rolex watch. So in the raffle draw, there's going to be one Rolex watch to be won. One Rolex watch. I can't spell watch again. Then they have 5 Apple Watch gems. And 100 trending hoodies. 100 hoodies, customized merch. So imagine you're trading with a broker now, right? And you're trading, normal trading, you're trading. But for every single traded lot, for every two traded lot, you're actually earning money to your Africa. So as you're making money by trading, you're trading your money yourself, you're making a profit. They are calculating the amount of lots. Oh, this guy already traded 2 lots, you collect 1 ticket. Traded 2 lots again, you collect another ticket, like that. And at the end of the day, at the end of the month, they do the raffle draw and they just contact you. Ola, you just won Apple Watch Enzo. They will send it to you like that. Or Ola, I just won Rolex watch. Rolex is about $20. So collecting Christmas gift by trading and making. You understand? So it's a very, very fantastic one for traders. It's a very fantastic one for traders. So it's a very, very beautiful broker. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to drop the link to download the Okta trading app. I'm going to drop it on the group chat right now. So what you're going to do now is that I'm dropping this link now. Head over to the group chat and download the Okta trading app. Okay, head over to the group chat and download it because that's what we're trading on this session. Right. If you want to use that broker, can use that broker as well. That's what I'm going to be using to call out in this session. I'm going to be showing my screen with the Okta trading broker, and I'm going to actually call out it. I'm going to take my print on the Okta trading broker. Okay. So let's we actually set up the app together. We fund the app to the account together. And I'll show you how to use the account, then I'll start calling out trades. Then after that, I'll give you in the session. Okay, I've dropped it already in the chat. I'm dropping it now, sorry. I've dropped already on the group chat. So whichever group chat you're actually on, we're going to see the link there. So just click on it and download the Octa treatment now. Have you clicked on it and downloaded the app? Just click and download the app. Just once you've clicked on it and the app's already downloading, drop on the chat box. Minimum deposit is 15,000 naira. Minimum deposit is 15,000 naira. Minimum deposit is 15,000 naira. So once you have clicked on it and the app is downloading, drop one in the chat box. Once you have clicked on it and the app is downloading, drop one in the chat box. When we have enough funds, we'll go to the next stage. I don't want people to actually be left behind. Or I don't want people to be left behind. So I want us to move together. Ola, have you downloaded your own? All right. Once you have done it and it's downloaded, just click on the link and click on download on App Store. It's downloading the app for you. Once you have done it and the app is downloading, drop one in the chat box. Once we have what is 21, what's the next step? How many ones have you got? Have you gotten up to 20 ones already? Just 10 ones. There's no time. Let's be fast so we can move to the next step. There's no time actually. Let's be fast. It's very simple. Just click on that link and then have you all done that? So how many let me count the ones. How many ones do we have? Is it already up to 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Just remain 5 more ones. 5 more ones. 5 more ones. Let's keep it coming. Let's keep it coming. Let's keep it coming. Let's keep it coming. Let's go. So let me explain the difference between a demo and a live account. Why we actually downloading the app. If not download your own because I don't want to hear, I don't understand. How do I enter this one? Because when it gets a particular point, it's moving very fast. I won't start moving very fast now. It's asking, how do I enter the thread? Where do I click on this one? I don't have the app. I don't want to get that one. That's why I say download the app now. Download the app now. It's not good thing. It's just like probably between something and it's not much. You understand? Live. Live versus demo trading. All right. So this is different between live and demo trading. So one of them is really one difference. All right. The difference is that live, okay, demo is not real money. Okay. Demo is not real money. So you can easily go to any broker and request a demo and then you get a free demo. It's called demonstration accounts. It's not real money. So even if you have a demo account of $500 and you go your $10, your $500 demo account from $500 to 1 million naira. So it's $1 million or $2 million. It's demo. It's not real money. You can't break it. The money is just there. It's just for you to practice on it. You get. So if you're trading demo and you're making money, that money is not for anything, because you can never. The only thing that can actually make you withdraw from demo accounts probably when God comes and then they can beg God and God, please, I don't suffer for this life. Man is usually something and buy iPhones. That's the only reason. But apart from that, they're not. You understand? So that's why I was working on live account, because it's actually live trading session, and you're meant to make profits and then enjoy your profits. Understand? The live account, you can fund the live account any amount that's convenient for you. That just has to be convenient for you. So if you want to fund 15K, that's 15,000 you can fund. It's your money, you can always withdraw it. I just want to just show you how to do it and then call out one of two trades so you can take it. If it's 4K you make, if it's 3K you make, if it's 5K you make, whichever amount you actually make is your profit. You will learn how to use the trading app very, very well. You fund, and then you fund the account very, very well. And then you take trades for the 20K, whichever amount you make, whichever amount you fund is what will determine your profit. Okay. So when you make a profit, you can withdraw your profits at the end of the day. So let's say you fund 15K and then you make 5K or 10K. You can withdraw that 10K. It's not much, but then it's fine down to go and buy yourself something for Christmas. Chicken now is 10,000 naira. So if you use 10,000 to buy chicken, you have money, you can pick it and something. You understand? And it's free. So just like me comes to my, I'll give everybody 10,000. Everybody be like, hey, I'll give up to like 4 million naira. But now I'm not giving what do you call it? I'm sorry, I'll drop the link now on Zoom. Don't worry. I'll drop the link now. So you understand? If I said that I want to give everybody 10,000, everybody, hey, fine. No, it's like 48 times 10 is how much? Let's see. Let's say 47 minus me times 10. Okay. 47 times 10,000. That's 470K. That's 500K. So if I say I want to give everybody 10,000, I'll give like 500K on this session. But now I don't want to give 500K. I want to just fund the account to somebody. Let me call out just let's make them 10K. Enjoy it. You understand for free. Right. Christmas. Okay. So if you don't actually have it, you click on this link here to download the app. Okay. Click on that link to download the app. Click on that link to download the app. All right. Are we done? All right. So another thing again about it is that funding this account now, apart from funding the account, you're also entitled to a bonus, 100% deposit bonus. All right. So if funding is 15K now, if you use my promo code, I have a promo code. Promo code is AGUNDIADE. So if you fund this account with 15,000 naira and then use this promo code, you see I'm going to show you. You see the promo code of this. If you use this promo code, you are actually going to get a 100% bonus. So that means if you deposit 15K now, use this promo code AGUNBIADE, instead of getting 15K, which is $12, you will get 30K, which is equal to $24. You understand? You understand? So that gives you more capital to trade more, make more profits that you can even withdraw yourself. So that is actually that about this actually. Right. So what I'm going to do now is we'll start the whole process together. I'm going to share my phone screen now. And we'll start the process together. Let's see. Guys, fast. Mr. Stanley, fast. You want? Oh, wow, now. That's awesome. Action requires speed. Let me share my screen. All right, so I'm going to go and click on my own link for those who did not actually understand what I was doing. So you head over to the group chat. This is actually the group chat, Trade-A-Thon. Click on Octa Trading app here. Click on the link there, and it's take you directly to your app store or your Play Store, depending on the one you're using. And click on the link there, and it's take you directly to your app store or your Play Store, depending on the one you're using. And click on the link there, and it's take you directly to your app store or your Play Store, depending on the one you're using. And Here you can see download the app. So once you download the app is just 64 MB. Just download the app right now. So open the app. So let's open the app together. Let's open the app together now. Let's open the app together. Okay, so you get to this place like this now, right? So what you're going to do is that if you want to use your Facebook to sign up, use your Facebook. If you want to use your Gmail to sign up, use your Gmail. If you want to use your email to sign up, use your email. So I'm going to use my email, right? I'm going to use my email. So first name. Then after this, after you fill this thing like this, you click on sign up. Then once you've clicked on sign up, you head over to your email. They will send you a particular link to that particular email you use. So this one, you click on it, then they will send a particular link to your email. So you just go and confirm the email. Did I not spell the email well? Sorry, give me a second. Okay, so you just confirm, you go to your email, you're going to see that particular link they sent you to your email. You go to the particular link they sent you there. Then you just go and click that link. And once you click on that link, it's going to be signed up. You're going to be signed up automatically. Okay. I've never gotten my own link. I'm waiting for it, but you should have already gotten yours. So let me see how many persons have actually already confirmed their own email. If you confirmed your email, drop one in the chat box. Let me see. See everybody. How many persons have confirmed their email? If you confirmed yours, drop one in the chat box. Okay, how many persons have confirmed theirs? Okay, you have 18 persons have already confirmed their own. Okay. Someone posted, you know, yeah, 18 persons have already confirmed that. That's very awesome. You guys are even faster than me. So see, I'm still battling my own. So what I'll just go and do is that I'll just go and let me just go and look at it. Since this one is now, let me try with a different email. Let me try with a different email. Because I want us to post it together. Oh shit. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's see if I'm going to get an thing. Okay. So I got this thing. So you get this notification. You put your email. So just click on the link to confirm. Right. So you ask if you're an experienced trader. You can choose no if you're not experienced. You can choose yes if you're experienced. Then date of birth. So date of birth. Then click on confirm. So when you come to this confirm place, you'll see it's MT5 or MT4. Want to use the trading app, want to use the app to trade, okay? I want to actually use the app to trade because to me, I feel like the app is very beautiful. All right, so click on configure. I believe everybody can see my screen here. After you actually say they're not experienced or experience based on what you feel, you know, click on configure here. Once you click on configure, you can see a real account. All right, you can see a real account here, right? You can see a real account, right? Then just click on real account. Click on open real account. So you're going to come to this particular interface. So when you come here, you now click on accounts. Look at the base of the screen here. You can see accounts here. Accounts. Click on the accounts here. Then click on this place where you see your accounts. This section here. This section here. Click on it. Let's go back again. Click on it. Real. Click on it. Then you click on deposits. Deposits. You understand? So you now click on the one you want to use. If you want to use instant bank transfer, if you want to use Bitcoin, if you want to use Theta, whichever one you want to use, but I'm going to be using instant bank transfer. So you can see I click on the instant bank transfer here. Deposit amount 16,000 naira, which is equivalent of $12.68. All right. So you select the bank name you're sending from, which is First Bank. Sending from First Bank. Okay. Now, see these deposit bonuses. That is where you're going to put the promo code. Click on these deposit bonuses. Then enter promo code. Deposit bonuses. Enter promo code. Promo code is AGUNBIADE. See there. AGUNBIADE. You can see the promo code there, right? That's the promo code. All right, you can see the promo code. I've typed it on the group chat. Promo code AGUNBIADE. So once you input that promo code, you click on activate, and it has been activated already. You see they are activated already. All right. So your first deposit, you're going to get no PAMPay or OP. But there's Kuda. So PAMPay is that too. Let's see. Down bank transfer. Let's try Nigerian local banks. Is it OP? Let's see PAMPay. All these guys have, wait, I'm coming. I don't know. Okay. So I'm just gonna zoom out like this. If you have anybody that actually has a normal that is not PAMPay and OP, enter promo code AGUNBIADE, then activate the already applied. Then you select deposit amount, which is 15,000 naira. Then you click on confirm. So bring you here like this. And then they say transfer only the exact amount. So don't transfer more than 15,000 naira. Do not save or reuse this account. Don't send any other money to this account after this one. You understand? The account only lasts for only this particular deposit you're paying. You understand the instructions. You click on continue. So this is the account number, like this. Copy the account number, and you head over to your bank account. This is the account name. Account number is this. Just copy it. Then see the account name KPY Opta. Head over to your bank app and transfer the money. So let me log out of this particular account. So you actually understand it now, right? So just do your own. Let me go and do my own too. Right. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Let me know when. So let me know when you've actually done your. And just try it. Someone should be able to fund the account for you. Someone is able to fund. Someone can actually fund the account for you. Settings. Let me know when you're funded. All right. Let me know when you're funded so we can produce the next stage. Settings. If you're funded, drop a one in the chat box. If you're funded, drop a one in the chat box. If you're funded and you're ready to go. Just check what's up. Yeah, someone can fund an account for you. No wahala now. No problem. I'm funding a particular account for this one. So whichever money we are making, we are all making it together. So no fear. Fund them my demo account already. You don't want to withdraw money, Abby. You don't want to. You're funding them. You don't know with them. Then you cannot withdraw. You don't know with them. You cannot withdraw. We need to move very fast. We have just 30 minutes to go. Yeah, so I'm doing my own here. Real account. Click on the read here on top, deposits here, instant bank, deposit amount 15,000. Let me start with the lowest. Or shape, let me just use 15. First bank. If you want to do 20K, if you want to do 20, 30K, if you want to put any amount you want to put, all right. AGUNDRATE. When you're funded, drop a one in the chat box. Let me know those that are funded already. Wait, though, before you fund, please. Sorry, please, before you fund, can you hear me? Before you fund, yeah, after you've gone to this page, yeah, when you click on this deposit bonus, don't forget to actually activate this one. All right, activate it. So you see the BRD thing that you just the BRD that you just used. All right, don't forget to click on this thing to toggle it on. All right, don't forget to click on it to toggle it on. Okay. Right, don't forget to click on toggle it so you can get 100% deposit bonus. So I've done mine. I've toggled mine on. Then I'll click on confirm. Just use one is to 500. Let's all use that one together. Okay. So I understand that. So I head over some first 16,000 naira, right? If you're stuck, let me know you're actually stuck at. All right. If you're stuck, let me know you're actually stuck at. Is it Wema? Wema, yes, Wema Bank. If you're funded, drop a one in the chat box. Let me know. 60,000. Hey man, I know, do you get the 100% bonus? Do you totally come for the 100% bonus? So I've sent my own money. I know, do you toggle it off for the 100%? Do you toggle it on for the 100% deposit? So who else has funded? All right. If you want to use demo too, you can also use demo too. But just know whatever profit you make, you're not going to be part. You're going to be able to still withdraw your own. You understand? Yeah, at least you can fund is 15K. Don't forget to use the 100% bonus deposit. That's the Abimbia all in caps. You can always get it from the chat. Okay? So we have Arnold that's funded. Rose has funded. You will get the confirmation once we receive the payment. So I'm waiting for my confirmation. So the fact that you got the was 15K, was it 15K you funded? Was it 15K you funded? All right, so that is basically it. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about that. So to open a demo account, what you do is that you come here, click on accounts here. All right, so when you click on accounts here, then you click on the plus sign at the top right-hand corner here. When you click on the plus sign at the top right-hand corner, then you click on configure. Then when you click on configure, you click on demo. Then choose the amount you want to fund, $5K. Then click on open demo account. And you can see the $5K demo account has been opened. Simple. Come to account here, click on the plus sign at the top right-hand corner here. See it's a plus sign here. Then configure demo, the amount you want to fund, and open demo account. So that is actually, so let's go to the interface. To get to the interface, go to trading. All right. So you can see trading now. You can see different currency pairs. I'm going to show you the currency pair you're going to use. Okay, I'm going to show you the currency pair you're going to use. I'm going to tell you the stop loss you're going to use. I'm going to tell you the take profit you're going to use. All right. So if I tell you Euro USD, you can see Euro USD. Click on Euro USD. So if I tell you Euro USD now, if I tell you buy, you understand? I'm going to either tell you buy or sell. So I will tell you buy. If I tell you buy, click on buy here. Okay. Then as you can see, that's brought you here now. Next thing you're going to do is that on this take profit, please click on take profit. You will now click on this edit sign. I'm going to input the take profit you want to put. So probably let's say I tell you to buy and I tell you to take profit of 1.09984. So you put 984. You understand? Then you click on set. All right. Level to stop loss. Click on stop loss again. Then click on it a second time. So you see now, let's see the stop loss I think to use is 1.09739. So you click 739. You can see it here. It is showing you the point. So points is pips plus pipettes. That's what your point actually is. You understand? So if I actually see 100 points, I basically mean 10 pips. If I say 200 points, I basically mean 200 pips. You understand? So now you see it now, it's showing you 140 points. That means 14 pips. If you're entering here with this stop loss, and you can see the estimated profit, if it hits your stop loss, you lose $1.41. So it's easier. So you don't need to be cracking your brain to enter or anything. As you're entering the trade, you're already seeing how much you're going to be losing. So if this thing hit the stop loss, you lose $1.36. And this is the amount of points, 132 points, which is equivalent to 13 pips. So let's make it just 100 points. 6, 7. You see it now, 7, 0. So we just click on it like this. So if it hits stop loss, you're going to lose $1.08. You already entered the trade now. So you have entered the trade now. You now can click on open order. So as you click on open orders, you click on this orders here, you see your order showing you $0.04. See, it's very, very sweet and simple. I will drop. I'm just showing you how to make that trade. It's very simple and simple. Let's go and try one now. Let's go and try one. No, but you not click on open order. You just follow me. Follow what I'm actually telling you to do, right? Follow what I'm telling you now. So let's go to trading. Go to trading. Select. If you click on trading 2 times, take it back. So as I've clicked on, let's say I'm in account. If I click on trading, it's going to show me here. But if I click on trading the second time, so take me back to here. You know, so go to trading. Select GBP AUD. So you select your GBP AUD here. So everybody should go to trading and select GBP AUD. Go to trading and select GBP AUD. Click on buy. Just click on buy. All right. There is 0.01 volume, 0.01 volume, 0.01 lot. 0.02 volume, 0.02 lots, 0.03 volume, 0.03 lots. But let's do 0.01. Okay, so as I clicked on that one now. Now tap for this take profits. So give me a second. Just give me a second. So go to the GPM AUD, yes. Let's say the GPAUD, then just play with the stop loss and take profits. Don't click on open order, just play with the stop loss and take profits. So you can see what I'm telling you about. With them or whichever one you actually have. We're not entering order. I just want to show you practically. You understand? Sorry for just joining. Don't worry, session is actually recorded. You can go through this recorded session and get a lot of things from the recording. All right, so let's go. So my own chart was not actually showing, so I had to go and switch my name. So let's see this thing. Okay, let's do this together now. Go to GPAUD. All right, so you go to GPA now like this, all right? So we're going to click on buy. Just click on buy. Have you seen? I clicked on buy now like this now. We're using 0.01 volume. We're using 0.01 volume. So take profits, click on take profits. Then once you click on this take profits, follow me. Click on this side take profits. All right. Now change that figure from 788 to 888. 888. Have you changed your own to 888? Have you changed your own to 888 already? Hola. Have you changed your own to 888 already? If you've changed your own to 888 already, let's drop a one in the chat box. Let me know the first person actually did that. You've changed that, so click on set. See, show me 94 points, right? That's 9 points, something pips. I'm going to ask two wonderful questions at the end of the session. The people that actually answer it are going to actually collect that time from me. So now go to stop loss now. Click on stop loss and click on that edit sign beside stop loss now. Then change that into 634. 634. Let's begin. Click on stop loss. Change that thing from 734 to 634. All right. Have you changed to 634? Click on set. If you've changed your own 634 and you've clicked on set, let me know. So we can proceed fast and we can go and start looking for trades. Looking for trades is going to take time, but let's try to be fast, okay? Drop one if you've already changed your own to 634. All right, so don't click on open order. I'm just clicking on open order. It's a gamble I'm doing because I didn't analyze this thing. I didn't analyze this thing, but you can see the trades. You can see currently my UUS is on 0.14 and my profit loss. And you can see my GPA is on minus 0.29 loss. So you see, tell me something now. I want to actually ask you a question now. I want to ask you like 5 questions. This app and MetaTrader 4, which one actually feels, should I say safer to use? Which one actually feels safer to use? This app. Let me show you. Now, you have between an app that when you actually want to put your take profits, it will tell you how many dollars you're going to win with that particular take profit. Let's say I use 834. Or let's say I use 7344. It's telling you how many dollars you're going to actually win. So before you enter the trade set, you don't need to start calculating your stop loss, pips, lot size, start multiplying this, multiplying that. You just like how make mistakes with that calculation. This is automatically telling you that every single take profit, you're hitting $2.7. If you actually want to actually enter stop loss, it's telling you that if you lose this trade, you would actually lose $2.7. It's simple. You don't need to start cracking your brain, start learning lot size or this one, this one. You're simple already, simple already. Is it not simple? So with this one, you feel safer because now if I want to buy this trade now, I don't need to start checking, the leverage. I'll start calculating leverage to know if the leverage is sufficient enough, or start calculating to know how many. Therefore, it's good, but it's very, very professional. Sometimes if you're not very, very used to trading, if for example, you actually enter a trade on US30, you know US30 moves faster. You may go and miscalculate your stop loss on US30, and instead of losing like let's say $60 on a trade, you're gonna lose $600. But with this particular app, you can't make such a mistake because before you enter the stop loss, it's already telling you now that if with this particular stop loss you're using 127, if it's stop loss, you lose $4.6. So before you click on this thing, you already know that this is what you're going to lose. You already made up your mind already. You understand? I'm going to lose some amount of things. You understand? I believe everybody can actually understand what I'm actually saying. So the next thing after doing all those things is just click on open order. And once you click on open order, it will start bidding for you. 991. So you can see I actually have 3 orders open, right? So to close the order, how do you close the order? Either you hit your take profit or stop loss, or you manually just swipe left and click on X. You close the order. Swipe left, click on X. You close the order. Swipe left, click on X. You close the order. All right, so let's go to our analysis now. The main reason why everybody are here now. I believe after this session, how many persons are going to be using the Octa trading app to trade? After this session, how many persons are going to be using? You guys are not hearing me? Are you serious? How about now? Can you still not hear me? After this session, how many persons are going to be using the Octa trading app to trade? Let me know. If you're not going to be using Octa trading app to trade after this session, drop a 1 in the chat box. Ola is no longer contributing. I already called his name too much. Ola is already angry at me. Ola, please don't be offended. Ola is no longer commenting again. To me, if you ask me, I'm going to say safer, especially for rookie traders. It is safer. Because when I started learning how to trade forex, it took me time to understand lot size and leverage. Before you not start calculating for profit and loss, before you calculate your profit and loss, it's multiply your lot size by your by your pips, by 10, by this one. So many, if you miscalculate like this, instead of losing 10, like you lose $500, you shock you cry and go home. But with this one, you don't have to stop that much. And then it's beautiful, it's simple. You know, it's simple if you ask me. All right, so let's just go. We are going to look for two trades to call. I should have only been looking for the trade itself while I was teaching, but I just wanted all of us actually like understand. Yes, 30, kidney. Where are you falling to like this? Where are you falling to like this to your long? Let's see what the market is. So the strategy I'm going to use to trade on this session is called X. Yeah, like Elon Musk X is it uses diagonal support. It's using diagonal support and resistances to trade. Right? If you see now, you can see my chart. I have so many of lines drawn across different trends. But at a particular point, which is this particular point, you'll see that they all intersect and form what we call X. See it here. See it here. So this is actually where the name came from, X. It's a very, very simple strategy to learn. If I teach you right now, you learn it within 2 hours, but there's actually no time for that one. So I just pull out. You see, it's the X. So it's just drawing diagonal support and resistance lines. No diagonal support and resistance line, and it's what we call our trend line. You check if you back test my chart, you see so many lines. See this one I put. Like I just catch all the strong trend. I love it. You not so many trades too, but the moment you see your trade, forget it. But it's low. This one, but it's here, it's few others. Like no rest things. Look at this one. I caught this one here. From here, dropped 2,000 pips. But that is actually so. Let's review. No need for all those plenty explanations. I've been teaching for 2 hours now. So we're going to use that. We're going to use 5 pips stop loss and 10 pips take profits because we are trying to scalp. Right? We're trying to scalp the markets. We are not going to be in intraday trades because I want you to actually play your trade on this session. I don't want to carry any trade and go play stop and go. I want you to play all the trades. So we're going to use 10 pips stop loss and 5 pips stop loss and 10 pips take profits. 5 pips stop loss and 10 pips take profits. All right, so I'll tell you how many lots you're going to use because I want us to risk like $3. $3 to catch $6. $3 is how much? About 3,000. $6. No, I want us to use $1 to catch $2. Let's just do it simple. So just give me patience. I will just give you some more time. Let me look at the market. And I will try my possible best to support setups as quickly as possible. Okay. I'm using the 15 minutes time from somewhere so I can see quick stuff in setups. I can see something on AD pad, but I won't call it out yet. Let me set my trend line. Let me set my alarm. Let me put trend line alert. You know you can actually set alert on your trend line. Example. Sorry about this. There's a lot of things to teach you. A lot of things to teach. So when it comes to trading forex, as I'm actually looking for setups, what I like doing on normal go live sessions, as I'm looking for setups, I like talking because in the space of me talking, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be saying things that are very helpful and very useful. Instead of us just have an awkwardly silent session where I'm looking for setups to call out, I'll be talking. So when it comes to trading forex, one thing I usually tell my students is everybody can trade forex. In fact, let me say something. Trading forex is not difficult. Euro years, they will use 6 pips stop loss on this Euro years and 12 pips take profits. I just got this thing at this point. But I've got this thing at this particular point here. This happened when my chat is looking complicated. Someone said my chat is scary. I could have put this one here, but we are teaching. I was talking rather. Let's see. We need a retracement back to this line. So when it comes to forex, what I normally advise my students is if this thing touches this white line, let's take it for itself with 6 pips stop loss and 12 pips take profits. We are going to use, let me see what 6 pips stop loss is going to mean. I'll tell you the stop loss, don't worry. Trading. There's a sale actually. Stop loss 6 pips. Okay. So I have to set up on this UAD here. If it touches this white line, so I'm going to set my trading view alert on this white line. We are going to use we use a lot size of, we use a volume of 0.05, 0.05, 0.05, 0.05, 0.05. That keeps us on a negative of 2. Let's use 0.03 because we will look to take 2 trades on this session. This app is very, very slow. Very, very slow. Okay, let's risk $1 to catch $2. Or should we risk 3? You can increase your own, no. Based on let's 0.04. Let's 0.04. You can increase your own if you want to increase it. You understand? I'm just looking at the amount we funded because we just funded that much. Just $12. So if you're risking $1.5 to catch $3 is a same deal. So what I'm going to do is that I will put on this line and I will, let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. I don't worry, I can't get like very good like this. So this candle is expiring on the next 6 minutes. So let me set an alert here. So in case it gets close, I can actually tell you. If I can catch this, with this way indicator the trace and get to this white line and we take it, it's going to drop very quickly and give us some of this thing. Why is my chart looking? Okay, no, this is trading view. This is a trading platform. I'm done with the I'm done with the Okta now. I'm trying to get the trade. So I'm in trading view. All right, the chart on Okta is a bit small. You know, I'm using a phone there, and apart from using a phone, like trading actually has features there with alerts and all of those things. So I'm trying to use trading view. So this actually that's stuff I should be looking at. Okay, let's do this. If you AD gets to what's just let me just let me give it hopefully that is different. Now I'm trying to look for set of pairs that move very, very quickly. Because if I take this AD card, I can be taking AD cards each other. They're very sluggish pairs. They're very, very sluggish pairs. Passenger, very, very sluggish. Passenger is one of the most sluggish ones. So I think we just try it. Then wait for this UAV. So, what I was saying normally, what I normally tell my students is that a secret to actually trading is what they call it. The secret to actually trading is risk to reward ratio. So me, I'm a trader. The way I trade my own is I use risk to reward ratios to my advantage. So what's the risk to reward ratio? Is the amount of percentage you're going to win if the trade hits your big profits. You understand the ratio of your risk to your reward in simple terms. You understand? So this is actually another setup again. Right? So let's say, for example, now I'm risking normally if I was take this Euro GBP, I would have taken this Euro GBP at this particular point for a buy. So normally if I'm trading Forex, I use 45 pips as my take profit, and I use 60 pips as my stop loss. 5.5 pips actually. That's giving me a risk to reward ratio of about 1 to 8 point something or so. So I normally tell my students that they should utilize good risk to reward ratio because, like, if you look at my stops on US 30 now, you see my risk to reward ratio is 1 to 20. So for every 1% I risk, I win 20% profit if I win the trade. You understand? So if I'm risking 2% per trade, for every trade I win, instead of winning 20% profit, it's going to be times 2. So if I risk 2% and I win G, I'm going to win 40% profit on just one trade. You understand? So the probability of me losing is very, very slim because even if I even lose 5, let's say for example, now I'm using 1% now. So if every 1% I use, if I lose the trade, I lose 1%, and if I win the trade, I win 20%. All right. So let's say the first 5 trades I take were bad. Let's say the market is moving stupidly. Were bad. Have you actually had 5 losses in a row? It's Forex markets, not our father's markets. Okay, it's not in the markets, it's a Forex market. So after having that 5 losses in a row, I've already lost how many percent? 5% in total. All right, crazy, right? But the moment I win one trade like this, that's 20% profit. 20% minus 5%, I'm still up by 15% profit. So the accuracy is probably within 20% or so, or even 15% accuracy because this 5 1 1. And you see 15% just only winning. So if you use a very good risk to reward ratio now, even if your accuracy is not really that good, you'll still be very profitable. You'll still be very, very profitable. Then another thing again I utilize break evens. So what I do is that I have three take profits. You understand? I use take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3 on my US 30. So my take profit 1 is 400 pips. My stop loss is at 100 pips. My take profit 1 is at 400 pips. My take profit 2 is at 1,000 pips. Okay. And my take profit 3 is at 2,000 pips. So what I do is that once I enter the trade, that share is take profit 2. The moment it hits take profit 1, the moment it take profit 1, I'm not going to close my trade. In fact, I don't set my take profit as take profit 1. I put into that take profit 3. That's my 2,000 pips. You understand? Just listen because there's a lot of things that I'm dropping here. It may not actually have to trade my own way, but you can see something about learning is that education is very, very beautiful. A lot of things are being spread. Education, but actually an education, it is to age where you can actually learn anything. You understand? You may not actually trade my strategy, but you can learn something from me that you can add to your own strategy that will make it more profitable. A lot of people have very working strategies, but the reason why they're not profitable is because their trading plan or the way they modeled it is not profitable. Probably they're using 10 pips as take profits. Meanwhile, they're meant to be using 45 pips as take profits. Probably they're meant to be using take profits, 1 take profits, 2 take profits, 3, but they're only using take profits 1. So if you understand how to do this, and you actually add them to your this, and you backtest very, very well, you can actually create your trading plan around your strategy. So what I did is I create my trading plan around my strategy. Okay, how is the strategy? What's the accuracy? How far the market actually moves when it gets to entry point? It normally moves 3,000 pips a day. Okay, what if I use 2,000 pips as my take profits? What's the possibility of me hitting that every single time? How many pips stop loss can I use? If I use 100 pips, how many times am I going to get stopped out on trades that are going to take profits? See, I'm getting all this information. Out of this information, I will not add everything together. I will not create a strategy. I will not create a trading plan based on that particular strategy. My stop loss to be 160, all based on what I saw. And how do I actually get this data? From back testing. Okay. So yeah, so I said I like teaching too much. So I've said a lot of things that I won't giving you guys like 2 months. In fact, you should pay 100%. All I've got. So okay, it's getting close to entry points. Hey, you do something 10%. This is happening. This is happening when I've got to pick. So let me see. I mean, this for 1 hour. From here, this is an average of 45 pips. So if I had called out this trade at the beginning of this session, we would have got 20 pips right now, because this is actually my strategy on the 1 hour time frame. Since I can't call it out at that point in time, because I was still teaching you guys how to do these things. So if I call it, most people are going to be confused. Only those that have been doing it for a while. And that's not actually what I want. So what I'm saying is actually how you select TPs. All right, so my TP1 is 400 pips. My TP2 is 1,000 pips. My TP3 is 2,000 pips. So the moment the market, once I'm entering a trade, I'm actually entering a trade with 100 pips stop loss and 2,000 pips take profits. I'm putting my TP3 there, yes. So now when the market moves, so as I do that now like this now, let me show you. I'm waiting for the AUD something to get to entry points. I'm waiting for this one. So I've set my alerts here. When it hits, I'm going to notify you. Here. So look at it now. This is an example. So my TP is actually here, 2,000 pips. So what I now do is that from the entry point, I drag from here 400 pips up. Then I set an alert there. Now I name this alert TP1 to estate TP1. Yes, that is TP1. So this is so if anything that means market comes hit this point, I'll get an alert on my phone. Your aesthetic TP1 hits. Now I come from here and drag it to 1,000 pips. And I set, you can see it, the alert service still on this one. I set it to US 30 TP2. US 30 TP2. Then my last one, which is actually going to my this point, I set it there at US 30 US 30 TP2. So you can see it here, right? So now in my broker, in my MT4 or my whatever I actually use, I'm going to actually put it there. TP3, that's what I'm going to put. So the moment I get a notification that TP1 hits, I'll pre-rush here. I want to adjust my stop loss from the stop loss. I'll move my stop loss to break even. This is actually adjusted. Once TP1 is hit, I move my stop loss from stop loss to entry points. So if the market reverses from this TP1 to my stop loss, it's not going to be my stop loss, it's going to be my entry point. So I'm not going to lose anything. You understand? That is it. Now, if the market goes and hits TP2, I will adjust my stop loss from this entry point to TP1. So if the market move from TP2 to TP1, it's going to stop me out. And that TP1 is how many pips? 400 pips. And that 400 pips, C1 is to 4 to reward ratio. So then that makes the market hit TP2, I'm already catching 1 to 4 into reward ratio automatically. And then I'll hold down. So let's go to actually enter AUD card. Our stop loss is five pips. AUD card. AUD card. Let's go. AUD card. Select AUD card now. Let's do this quickly. AUD card volume is using 0.04 for a sell. 0.04 for a sell. So this is going to use as stop loss. Stop loss is going to be 340. 0.90340. 0.90340, that's your stop loss. 0.90340, that's your stop loss. 0.90340, that's your stop loss. Then your take profit is 181. No, 18. Sorry, I'm coming. Just input the stop loss first now and just enter the trade. Don't set the take profits. Yes. Okay, now let's take it together. Don't worry. So you have set the stop loss already. So your take profit now is going to be your take profit is going to be 181. Use 180 as the take profit. 180. 0.90180 as the take profit. Then click on open order. I'm going to type the 9 in the chat box now. I'll type the 9 in the chat box now. Just watch. Sell. So I've already entered my own already. So my AUD card sell stop loss is 0.903440. Don't worry, you have access to recording. Then TP is 0.90180. All right. So if it hits stop loss, we lose 1 point something dollars, about $1.8. And if you take profit, we win about $3.6 or so. This is actually where our stop loss actually is here. And this is actually where our take profit actually is. Yeah. 10 pips. No need for us in monitoring the trade. We just I remember that if you want to enter a trade, just drop one in the chat box. I've dropped the stop loss and take profit targets already. The issues. AUD card sell. Stop loss is I thought us use 0.04. So we already know that if it hits our stop loss, we'll lose about 2 points. I think about 1.8 something. And if you take profit, you're going to win about 3 points something. So we are like 1 is 2 weeks to what that's what we're actually using. Who else have actually entered it apart from Arnold and NY? Not this year. Just $2 now. So now what we're actually predicting right now with this particular thing is that we're predicting that the market moves from here down. Okay, so we'll leave it alone. Never any of the alerts actually hits. There's only force. One thing I like is that I don't like looking at my trades. I don't like looking at my trades. I just like giving the note to that hitting my profits or my stop loss. So let me go back to this one. The 0.0 stop here. Why? Okay. The trade I would have actually really loved to actually enter would have actually been this EU thing. This really, that is actually, in fact, after the session, I'm going to drop this one for anybody who actually wants to. So whenever it touches this, if I let me drop the link, so let me drop the link to the chat. Whenever it touches the white line, all right, you can actually enter it for yourself. The same parameters that we used, right? Same parameters, same 0.5, same 5 pips stop loss and 10 pips take profits. So AED card is at the entry point. That's at the entry point. Let's see this. Let's see this. So I'll drop the link to this one on the group chat. So for those who actually want to research, set about that. Whenever it touches this white line, that's your trigger for your sell. Right? That's your trigger for your sell. Whenever it touches the white line, 6 pips stop loss, 12 pips take profits for you. Whenever it touches the white line, remember that. Let me just drop it in the group chat. Since I just have to rush everything because of time. Because of time. We're running up now. Let's see. So normally, I like using risk to reward ratio to my advantage. You understand? So this is just us trying to scalp. It's actually us trying to scalp because normally risk to reward ratio is my best. I like using risk to reward ratio to my advantage. That's what I'm actually explaining with this what they call it, this particular thing, this particular what they call it. So, right. So this UAD is they're still at the entry point. Still at the entry point. So let's go to this here. So I'm actually explaining. Okay. So you see it now. So the moment it hits, CP1, the moment it hits CP1, I'm going to move my stop loss from my stop loss to my entry points, giving me a risk-free trade. The moment it hits TP2, I'll move my stop loss from my entry point to my TP1. And I'll hold it to can hit TP. So this is actually the worst thing that can actually happen. Number one thing is if it just directly goes to hit my stop loss, look at it. Let me plot this thing for you now. If it directly goes to hit my stop loss, SL hits directly. Direct lead is equal to I lose 1%. If the SL hit directly, I lose 1%. SL hit directly, I lose 1%. You understand? Now, CP1 hits, then hits SL. I lose nothing. I lose 0% because it's going to hit my break even, which is my entry point. The only time I'm going to lose my spread. You understand? Now, CP2 hits, then hits SL. I don't lose anything. I win 4% because my risk to reward ratio is 1. My stop loss is 100. My TP1 is going to be 400. So 100 is to 400. So that's 4%. Then TP3 hits. And I win 20%. So these are the worst cases. So I don't monitor my trades. Once I enter the trade like this, blah, 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 I'm already done. If I get one hit, I go and move my stop loss to break even. TP2 hits, change my stop loss to TP1. And if TP3 hits, correct. If it doesn't hit, it goes to my no, well, I'll collect my 4% of this thing. So the worst thing that can actually happen is either I lose 0% or I lose 1%. And the best thing that can actually happen is either I win 4% or I win 20%. So you see it. So that is basically that's basically that about that. So normally I normally like you say stick to advantage. I normally like you to stick to advantage. So let's go and talk about some other things. So there's actually a lot of things to actually talk about on this session. So before we actually proceed, let's do I'm going to ask 2 questions, random questions, and whoever actually answers the question randomly, who actually answers the question first. All right. I'm going to actually give the person, send the person 5,000 airtime on this call. And I'm going to ask the second question again. Whoever actually answers correctly, I'm going to send the person 5,000 airtime on this call. All right. That's 10,000 airtime giveaway. It's not much, but it can actually do something. Okay. It can actually do something. Right. So that's about that. So before we actually ask that question, let's see. Before we actually ask that question, those questions, are we actually ready for the questions? Giveaway, right? Are you ready for the question? Are you ready? You see, something about giveaways, right? It doesn't actually have to be much, right? See, once you win something, there's this excitement, there's this euphoria that comes with winning something. The moment you win something, you're very excited in that, oh, I want something. It's like, oh, I want something. There's excitement that comes with it. You understand? And I love that excitement. I love giving people that particular excitement. All right. So 10,000 airtime, you can actually call your crushes. All right. That's that about that. So before I do the giveaway, let's move to the next. So I'm actually waiting for that trade to hit wherever it actually wants to hit. So to withdraw your profits from OptaFX, let me just show you how to pay it. After this session, if you actually want to withdraw your profits from OptaFX, it's simple. What you just have to do, recap again. We have been here for like 2 hours, 40 minutes. I should I recap 2 hours again? No, it's actually recorded. So it's actually recorded. So at the end of this session, I should recap 3 hours. Don't worry. At the end of this session, at the end of this session, I'll drop the recording on the group chat, so you can actually like see it. All right. So to withdraw, just click on you click on real accounts here. Exactly. So to withdraw, click on real accounts here. Come to account section. All right. Come to account section. Click on real accounts here. Click on your account, then click on withdraw. So you can see different methods you can use to withdraw. If you want to withdraw your Nigerian local bank, you can withdraw your Nigerian local bank. If you want to withdraw with BTC, TRS20, whatever you want to withdraw, you can withdraw. And it's very, very fast. You just come with the same way you did it. You put your first bank, put the account number 311. Don't send me money on this. Choose a place you want to withdraw from, this account, amount you want to withdraw. You want to withdraw $5, you want to withdraw $10. The minimum you can withdraw is 3,000 naira. All right. And the maximum we can withdraw is 1 billion naira. Where are my billionaires? If you know you're actually going to be withdrawing billionaires, I say billionaires because if they're going to be withdrawing billions very, very soon from this market, drop some fire emoji in the chat box. Drop some fire emoji in the chat box if you know you're going to be withdrawing billions from the... Ola don't want to withdraw billions. Some don't want to withdraw billions. Drop it. Come on. Let's go. I've taught you so much on this session. I have taught so much on this session. So much. So much on this session. So much on this session. You can see it here. Minimum withdrawal is how much? 3,000 naira. Because this will know that there's so much money in this. They're telling that the minimum you can withdraw is 3,000 naira. They don't want to start withdrawing 1,000 naira. No. Minimum 3,000. Maximum 1 billion. Trade your account 1 billion and withdraw 1 billion. That's what they're telling you. It's there already. Imagine you're withdrawing 1 billion today. Say the mom like 100 million, which is on the all right first. Then you put the amount you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to withdraw 5,000 naira. So 5,000. They say they're going to that's $5, right? $5. So they're going to send the $5 to my local bank, which is First Bank, with this account number. All right. First Bank. What's wrong with me? First Bank with this account number. This amount I want to withdraw $5, and then I just put my octa pin. Whatever my octa pin actually is, I won't tell you my octa pin, so you're not gonna withdraw my money. If I click on request, I want to click on request within a couple of minutes, you get your money. All right, that's actually how quick it actually is. That's actually how fast it is. That's how fast it is. Withdraw your money. So let's go to the listing. So guys, when it comes to trading, what we're actually waiting for this trade to actually like get to the take profits. Okay, so that's actually how I like trading my own. You know, everybody actually have their trading style, and if you notice, if you check very profitable traders, you realize that they mostly use risk-reward ratios to their advantage. They mostly use risk-reward ratios to their advantage. Look at this thing; it's very crazy. Either I lose 1%, or I lose 0%, or I lose 4%, or I lose 20%. Now let's check the time that I've actually cost profits in the past. And this one was not possible. I love these things. Like it doesn't even stress myself. Once I just see my setup, bam, I've entered it. I'm off. I don't care about the many ones. Once I see my profit, bam, I'm off. That's just why I love these things. That's why I love. So we're actually rounding up now. We're rounding up now. In the next 10 minutes, we're going to be done. All right. So before we get to the closing part of this scene, let me actually introduce you to my academy. All right. So when it comes to knowledge, there's a lot of things to teach. I honestly tried my best to teach as much as I can. If you guys actually see, you guys actually testify that for the past 3 hours, I was not wasting time. I was teaching this. I cramped. I squeezed every single thing into just a 3-hour session. Talked compounding plan, this one down. I taught a lot of things. Taught risk to reward ratio. Taught risk management. Taught plenty things. Explained forex. This in just 3 hours. But 3 hours is not enough to teach you all I actually want to teach you. So I actually have an academy where we have fantastic traders that teach. I'm one of the educators there, and I teach 2 hours a day. I teach. I have a first session very early. Then I have a second session also, which is 1 hour, which actually 1 hour each. So for 2 hours a day, 1 hour, 1 hour in the morning, and that 1 hour later in the morning, we'll have a session 6 a.m. and 11 a.m. 1 hour, and in that 1 hour, I come to teach, and I also come to analyze trades. The way I'm actually analyzing trades now, I analyze trades and I call out the trades for you. So basically, this is just like one of my sessions. This is actually long, and the reason why I was long was because the first 1 hour was explaining forex, all of that. I know you understand, but normally 1 hour of just analyzing the charts, teaching you risk to reward ratio, teaching you compounding, and analyzing and calling out trades. This is aesthetic trades now. I would have actually dropped this particular trade for you if actually in the academy. You'd have taken this trade. As the trade is moving up in profit, I trade actually moving up in profit. I'm actually telling you, oh, TP1 hits, move your stop loss here. TP2 hits, move your stop loss here. TP3 hits, move your stop loss here. You understand? So 2 hours every single day learning from me. That is 10 hours in a week learning from me. That is also 40 hours in a month learning from you. Can't tell me that the way I actually teach you takes the amount of passion and energy you actually teach. If you actually spend what they call it, if you actually spend 40 hours learning from me in a month, you're not actually going to learn a lot of things. You will learn so much. And the beautiful thing about the academy that I really love is the fact that we don't just teach people, we also call out signals for them. You understand? So we teach and we call out trades. So this trade I called out, this AUD card I called out, normally is not actually how I take my trades. It's actually scalping. Like I said, we'll try to scalp the market. How I take my FRX trade, let me show you. I always use risk to reward ratio to my advantage. I always use risk to reward ratio to my advantage. So I use a stop loss of, let me see this AUD. I use a stop loss of 5.5 pips. Okay, I use a stop loss of 5.5 pips. And I use a take profits of about 45 pips. 45 pips actually. You understand? This is actually a setup that I would have actually taken. This is actually a setup that I would have actually taken this particular one. Let me go. I love using FRX trade because you see less and they move more. You understand? You see less and they move more. I utilize break-evens a lot, and I also utilize quick reward ratio a lot. So let me show you. This is what I actually took out of it. It's not expensive, don't worry. It's not expensive. It's not expensive. It's an academy created by Nigerians for Nigeria. Okay, this is actually set up. This particular one. You can see your diagonal resistance here. You can see your diagonal resistance here, right? And at this particular point, this is where I'm just going to enter my trade for a sell. So my stop loss normally is 5.5 pips. If you don't have to pay 5.5 pips, can use 6 pips? But I like using 5.5 pips because I like using height stop loss. Zero resistance. So market normally shouldn't go beyond the resistance. So it lies 5.5 pips, very narrow stop loss. As you can see here, just do it actually is on your 30. Who uses 100 pips on your 30? Some person will sit and say, it's like, right, use it and I'm very profitable with it. That's just it. Then take profits is 45 pips. You can see risk reward ratio is 1:8. So even if I lose 1%, 1, 2 trades, and I lose 2%, the moment I win 1 trade, I win 8%, I'm still profitable. So I use it very well to my advantage. You understand? And when it comes to indices, which is what I like trading with, because indices, I don't have to check the market for long. I just check the market once in a while. Just so that is it. So that's that about that one. So you can see this particular setup, it dropped this peak. All right. And if I keep checking, if I want to start soon, I can see the strategy, right? See hold on. So you understand? I don't want to actually like start your game. So if you're actually interested, in actually joining the academy, you can. It's not actually expensive. When I actually started learning to trade, what I paid $325 to learn how to trade. $325 to learn how to trade. $325 right now in Naira. If you want to learn, the academy still exists. All right, $325 in Naira right is 390,000. So to learn from where I learned to trade, it's possible. And that's just the execution. Because after that one, you will still pay $275 in next month to resubscribe, which is 330,000. So after paying 390,000, next month you still pay 330,000. Now, apart from that, you still have to fund your account if it's your gift and all of that thing. So it's very, very expensive. So I decided to create an academy, very, very cheap, where I can actually come and pass my part for my students. And it only costs $49 a day. Just $49. What it costs to learn from where I learned from 390K. What it costs to learn from me is just $49. $49 right now in Naira is just 58,000. So 58,000, you can actually have access to 2 hours of learning from me every single day. And you know the most beautiful thing about this thing? I know you're only learning this thing. But the signals are also funny. What's funny out the way I normally follow my trade with good risk to reward ratio, drop it for you. You expect this one. I'm going to tell you when to close it, when to open it. So as you're learning, the trades are much very important. Actually, understand? So you're not really learning, and everything I'm doing it on my own account. You understand? I'm not going to come and tell you that, oh, just come and do this thing. Right? I'm not telling you to come and do this thing based on what I think, what I think. I'm showing you what I'm doing. I think it's based on what I'm doing. If I'm winning money, you're winning money. If I'm losing, you're losing. But I'm going to win way more than most because I always understand. Then also with the challenges. But actually the signals to trade with the challenges. You understand? You can use signals to trade. One reason why I really like your study is that when it comes to price, a lot of trades, you can actually have like 4 different trades. But we expect it's just only one trade. Just only one. And that one trade can give you profits for an entire week profits. Just imagine this particular setup now. The market dropped from here to here. The market dropped from here to here. That is how it drops 5,000, 6,000 pips. Imagine 6,000 pips. Now, my strategy obviously will not call out this type of trade for me. You understand? But imagine someone strategy that requires a let's say that 40,000 pips. Your strategy will call out this. You understand? But I imagine having access to this thing every single day. Just me, you'll be a very fantastic trader. So that is basically for the session. So it's time for our giveaway. 25% actually. That's very beautiful. Very beautiful. That's very beautiful. Give away. Drop some fire emojis, drum rolls. We'll ask us 2 random questions. Whoever gets correct, they will send their account, their phone number, and I'm going to send them 5,000 every time. All right, that's 2 questions. All right. So let's see the first. So drop some fire emojis, fire emojis. Let's know our winner. I want to let us leave in one. All right, let's see. Let's. So I'm going to ask the first question. Should I make it a bit complicated, or should I make it very simple? First one to actually answer. That's what we are doing. First one to actually answer. First person to actually answer. Let's go. All right. All right. So I'm going to ask a question now. The question now goes, let me speak English. I've been speaking nonsense since morning. So it's going to be very simple. It's going to be a very simple question. So you're going to use the first one to actually answer it. Whoever actually answer is going to get it down. So what is my favorite currency? What's the currency I love the most? Nope. Yes, that's it. Something you can drop your this thing. Drop your this thing. Something you can drop your phone number. Let me send your airtime to you. All right. I said it here multiple times. That my favorite currency here is USD. I give my reasons. You can't hear me. All right. I said it here multiple times that my favorite currency here is USD. Is USD. I said the reason why it's my favorite currency here is because it doesn't give much setups. It only gives you 1 or 2 setups, and because of how fast it actually moves, I can actually use a very high reward ratio of 1 to 20, which basically means for every 1% I risk, I get up to 20% profit. So my favorite currency pair is US30. That's my favorite currency pair. All right. So yeah, so that's this place. I explained it actually here. So start with the second question. Thank you for the second question. Now I don't know about the Octa trading app. I can see the name, don't worry. I can see something before. I actually mentioned a lot of things about the Octa trading app. There are a lot of people teaching about the Octa trading app. And from what I actually asked, asked the question. I asked, after this session, how many persons are going to switch from MT4 to MT5 Octa trading app? And every single person here says, I'm going to switch. Why? Because the app is very beautiful and they also have very important and beautiful features that actually make it very easy to manage your risk. Now, the particular feature I actually love the most, I talked about it a couple of times. I talked about the importance, the importance of that particular feature with managing your risk and helping you, especially when you're actually a trader. What is actually that particular feature? What is my favorite feature of the Octa trading app? What is my favorite? I never want to talk and finish. I don't know. If you allow me to talk and finish, well, let me see. Tell that you get this. Wait. Who got it first? Wait, who got it first? I know that she got it first. I know got it first. It calculates your loss and profit easily. That is my favorite feature of Octa trading app. Before we actually enter the trade on AED card, we actually saw it there, live and direct. It told us that when we actually enter this particular trade, for our stop loss, if it hits our stop loss, we are actually going to win. If it hits our stop loss, we're actually going to win. Sorry, if you actually hit our stop loss, we're actually going to lose $1.8 or so. And then we also saw it too that if it hits our take profits, we are going to win. If it hits our take profit, we are going to win. If it hits our take profit, sorry, give me a second. So can everyone hear me clearly now? Am I still audible? All right. Am I still audible? All right. So from what we actually calculated now, we talked about that, and then I see my favorite feature of the app. So first of all, before I actually start explaining now, let me actually send the headline first. Let me actually send the headline first. Or should I just send after the I'll send after the session. Let me actually done with everything. All right, so I said my favorite feature is actually the stop loss and take profit tool. And the reason why it's actually my favorite feature on the Okta app is because it helps you calculate your stop loss and your take profit before you enter the trade. All right, it helps calculate your stop loss and take profit. That's actually why it's my favorite feature. Before we actually enter the AED card trade, we saw there that if we lose the trade, we are going to lose $1.8. And then if we win the trade, we are going to win $3.6. That's actually what we saw before we even enter the trade itself. And so it's already sure for us. We already know how much we're going to lose and how much we're going to win. Is it our stop loss or our take profits? You understand? And that is actually a problem that's, it's using MT4. If you're just using MT4 trader, especially actually a new trader, you need to actually answer for your stop loss and take profit. And if we actually enter every single trade, you need to actually calculate it. And if you miscalculate it, instead of actually losing $1, which they lose, you can now lose $10. You may want to actually enter 10 pips, you say you can enter 100 pips. And instead of actually losing $10, you may not lose $100. It happens a lot. So a lot of person actually even MT4. But with Okta trading app, before you even enter the trade, you already seen there, with this particular stop loss that's been this particular lot size, you will lose $5 on this thing. You understand? You can now adjust your lot size accordingly to the amount of risk. The amount actually, you understand what I mean? That's actually my favorite feature with Okta. Now, apart from it, it's also very useful and very smooth and clean. It's not looking complicated and all of that. You can set your penny orders and a lot of things you can also do particular app. So that is basically what I really love about the Okta trading app. All right. So I'll put the second question after the question. Sorry. Second person answer the question was Zoom. Okay, Arnold, sorry. Let me send it now, sorry. Arnold. All right, so that is basically it. So if you want to join BTA, the name of the academy is BTA, that's this Traders Academy. We teach people how to become traders. All right, if you want to join the academy, you just need to reach out to the person that logged into the squad. Tell the person thank you very, very much for showing me this amazing opportunity, and then tell the person you are ready to get started. The person will get started immediately, and then you can actually start learning and making money. It only costs $49, which is 58,000 naira. Listen, remember what I actually said, right? To become part of the 5%, is that actually part of the 4%, which are actually entrepreneurs, or you're part of the 1%, which are actually investors. And to become an investor, 7, 6, 9, 496. And to become an investor, right, you need to actually learn how to trade. You learn it for life. You're an investor. You actually invested in learning how to trade. You actually learn how to trade. As a skill set that lasts for life. See all the money I've been making now. So far this week, I've made over $100 million. All right. I've made too much money this week. You understand? Imagine it was actually you. Imagine you actually knew and you learned how to trade 5 years ago. You invested in that particular academy and paid 390. But now you have the chance to learn. You have the chance to invest and learn this skill set very, very well. And it's only 58,000 naira. And once you learn it very, very well, next year, when you start trading and start making your withdrawals and start making your profits, you also be giving your estimates of how you learn this thing and how it really helps you master and all the money and all the profit that you're making. It's going to be very beautiful. You understand, knowing that you just only pay this amount to actually learn this particular thing. So that is basically it for the session. I would have loved to actually like call out other trades, like even call out a normal trade, like that particular UAED. But what is happening is that imagine you look at that UAED very well. And I'm going to call it out as a normal trade. All right, it's 5.5 stop loss and 5 take profits. You understand? So I'm going to drop on the group chats. I'll leave that on my boosted. I'll drop on the group chat. So whenever it gets to entry point, I'm going to notify everybody. So we can all enter it. So we can all enter it. So when it goes, 1% you lost, 8% is going to be down for profits when as you take profits. You understand? Because risk reward is 1 is 8. 0810 91 88 You understand? So that is basically it for the session. So thank you very much, family, for joining me. If you're actually going to be getting started after this call, drop some time in the chat box. Let me know those that are going to be running with Institute to the top. Let me know those that are going to be taking let me know those that are going to be taking my signals and making money off my signals. Let me know those. Sorry, I have a question. You're raising your hand. All right, okay, just type a question in the chat box. 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 You're welcome. You're welcome. Abang, have you received your own? I know, brother. Have you received your own? So type a question in the chat box. Someone's going to ask a question. Just type in the chat box. Sana Bealema. Oh, you thought you were the person that got the second one. Let me check. Sorry, let me check again. Let me check. Let me review. Sorry. If you are a person that because the names I have to send it to you also. It's Arnold that got it first. Arnold. So after the message by Manuel Ban, you can see Arnold actually sent his own. It calculates your loss and profit easily. I didn't even see your own. I didn't see your own this thing. But let me check back. Let me check back. Let me check back. There's only Arnold. I can't even see your message 7 in the chat. I can't see your message. Probably didn't send me because we not check. Sorry about that. All right, so if you're going to be joining the academy after this session, oh, you sent it to another person. Maybe you sent it to another person. So sorry about that. So sorry about that. So sorry. If you're going to be joining the MBT Academy after this session, drop some time in the chat box. Let me know those that are going to be running with me, into 2024. Let me know those that are going to take my juicy aesthetic traits and my juicy FRF and HFX traits. Just fire me in the chat box. Let me know. Drop fire emojis. I don't want to let Ola already made up his mind. I don't want to join the academy. Ola, please just drop your own phone number. Ola, let me send you 5,000 naira. Because like, you deserve it actually. You're actually very active. You are the most active. In fact, the most active person on this call is actually Ola. And just send your own phone number. Let me send your own 5,000 naira. Ola, not okay. So let me send it now. You're welcome. You're welcome. So if you're going to be joining the academy after this, you know what you're going to do? Just reach out to the person who plugged into the sport. Tell the person thank you very, very much. If it's me, if it's Vicky, if it's Vivian, whoever, and make sure you sign up immediately. Since you're very honest, and they don't the best person, the person invests into something. They don't the best person. You understand? That's just actually how it is. This was actually moving. You understand? There are people that you know right now, like the next 5 years, they will actually be in crazy places. Sorry, 0706 937 0706 937 3575. Okay, so there are people you actually know right now that probably actually have money more than them. But in the next 1 year, they will actually be in better positions. They are people you know right now. That's exactly how this works. Actually, this what actually works. And the reason why they're actually going to be in better positions is because they're actually going to take certain decisions, certain financial decisions. They will actually either pay to learn a particular course, or pay to learn this one, or invest in this one, or invest, or buy that crypto. You understand? So the only way to actually catch up with the fast-moving world and grow is to actually learn a skill set like this. When 5 years ago, when I was learning, I was suffering and everything. You understand? I paid to learn. There are people that actually have more money than me then. You understand? But I'm actually here right now because I invested to learn it. So if you actually make that particular choice that I want to learn from this guy every single day, 2 hours a day, for 1 month, I want to get all this information so I can become a very good trader. It's going to pay out. And 5 months from now, when you're actually compounding your account to like 1 million, 2 million, you'll be giving your own testimonies like this. So that is basically for the session. Thank you very much for joining. We had a very, very lovely and beautiful and fantastic time together. Everybody actually asked for it, right? Everybody actually asked for it. All I've sent it. Everybody actually, you're very, very much welcome, brother. Everybody actually had fun. So just reach out to the person who plugged to this call. Tell the person thank you very, very much for plugging into this thing. The person could have been stingy. The person could have kept it to his or herself. All right, but the person rather, instead of actually keeping it to his or herself, the person chose to share it with everybody. The person chose to share it with you, right? That's what the person told you about it. And because the person told you about it, that is actually why you are actually here right now. All right, that is actually why you've actually learned what you've actually learned right now. That is actually why you end that airtime giveaway right now, because someone actually told you about it. That is, person actually knows it. My own time, it was my own blood sister that showed me about something like this, you understand? So just reach out to the person who plugged into this call. Tell the person thank you very, very much. All right, appreciate the person and tell the person I am ready to get started. If you don't have the money, put your mind into it and make sure you get the money to get started, because like I said, you invest in learning something so you don't actually remain, you understand? Let me not complete it. You invest actually learn the skill set so you're actually going to become. All right, so that is basically it for the session. See you guys on the other side of session. Those are going to join me tomorrow on the Go Live session. I can't wait to actually see you guys on the Go Live session with me tomorrow. Okay.